All right, welcome back to my channel. We are going to start any moment from now. I may not waste much time. I can only wait for a few minutes. Evans Ike, I don't know, you made a comment before I start this program, so I don't know if you are still here. Let's just wait a while before we start properly. So please, if you come across this very video, this live stream, give it a thumbs up and make sure you like the video. Yes, make sure you like the video. Make sure you like the video. We are here to bring you updates and to respond to something that we're supposed to respond to. Some of you may not understand, but the lies is what we are here to expose and to put light to some of the things playing out there. I welcome all of you. Put your comment for me to know that you are here. Actually, we have 11 people watching. This is just 1 minute to the program. I just started. In case if you just join us, you have not missed anything. So we are just starting up. And if you are going to watch it later, I don't know. Please make sure you share this video to many platforms of your choice, and let us know where you're watching from, or just put a comment for us to recognize that you are here with us. So let me quickly try my best to share the live video. Yes, I have to share it, and you yourself, you can as well do us a favor by sharing it while we are waiting for people to hook on to this live broadcast. As we can see, we are just heading to 2 minutes. I am here, Brother Kai. That is the Ife DJ. Yeah, Ife DJ. I see you. I am here. He said again, okay, let me bring your comment so that those people that will watch it later will have access to your comment and see and read what you said there. I am here. And you said again, Ndewo Mazekai reporting. Ndewo to you. I appreciate you for joining us. Our own one and only Water Bright. You are here, Mike. Said my Kai. I hear you, my brother. He said again, Brother Kai, good evening. Good evening to you. One mother. Way. And Eligwana Ayopo. Davis Cole. I see you. You're welcome. Greetings to you. Good evening, good evening, good evening. And please do us a favor, hit the like button, share it to many platforms of your choice. Why are you still paying for AI video tools when the best one is? I'm trying to share this, so that's why you are hearing that sound. We have 22 people watching. We are 3 minutes of the program. Once it's 5 minutes, I think we have no other reason to delay. So please like the video, hit the like button, and share it to many platforms of your choice. All right, your WhatsApp, your Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, name it. Okay. And Franco Koye, our own brother, Ndewo, I see you. He says, greetings in the Baye, Geneva, France. I love the way you put it. I'm not gonna lie. And again, he said, hit like button. He said, like and share this program. Yeah. Ndewo, my brother. Okay, so please, you can as well also share it, please. As you are clicking on the like button, it's expected of you to like it and to share it at the same time. Olive also say good evening, everyone. Olive also there. Okay, close ID. Only 40 people have liked this video, and you have 24 people watching live. I mean, why is it that people are finding it difficult to hit on like button? I don't know. Or please, I'm begging you, like the video. Okay, like the video. It is actually free, you know. If you are watching from phone and you don't know how to, you are searching for that option to like the video. There's a 3 dots at top corner of your right hand on your phone. When you hold your phone like this, there's a three dots at top corner. Click on it, it will show you option to like the video. Liking the video is to let the people, the owner of the platform, you know, we are not the owner of YouTube. So the owner also, they're also doing their job, you know. So you will help them to tell them that you like what you are doing. This video is not for, we are not here preaching for violence or committing crime. That is for humanity. It is for our own knowledge. We are here to share. I'm not saying that I'm your lecturer. No. What I'm saying is that we are here to discuss, to learn from each other. I will learn from you, you learn from me. So that's why we are here. And we have 60 people that have liked the video. So please, like I said, get it higher, please. Hit like button. Donna, I think this is done. Are you done, right? Yeah, I think this account last time Oliver also, yeah, it said you do our own the Don. I think this is the Don, yeah. Guy, I greet you from here. I always at work when you usually come online. Yeah, that's Don. The Don don't joke with his work. So I believe that's the Don. I greet one another. And Edmond said, good evening, Mazakai. Keep on the good work. Thank you so much. And we have Christiana. He said, we appreciate you all. Keeping the fire burning. God bless you all. There were. Okay, don't tell yes. Okay, you have just confirmed that. All right. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for that. Just a moment. All right, so let's start the program without wasting much time. I think I'm done with sharing aspect of it, even though there are some other people that I needed to share it, but time is working against me now. I have a time to run this program. So whether you're gonna watch us now or later, I will start instant because mouthpiece of God, I see you. I see you, man. You're welcome. Good day to you. I think it should be afternoon your time. Good afternoon to you, ma. I hope you are okay. They will welcome. My peace of God said just free for seconds and wanted to give a shout out to you guys in the media of USB. Thank you, ma. I really appreciate you. I don't know you will have time to be here now, you know. But happy to see you. Happy to see you. God bless you, ma. I really appreciate it. You're wonderful. All right, let's continue. We are here for Lazuba. Lazuba, because I hate it when people begin to pretend that they are righteous when you are not righteous. It's one of the things that I don't like. You know, it is one of the things that I don't like. And I saw this her video. I said no, we have to. Naiga Capion. They were, man. They were. I really appreciate. They were. You said. You all make us proud. Thank you. We are humbled to hear that from you. Thank you so much. And Frank Okoye said, I watched the program you uploaded about 4 hours ago, where Sona Akbarawa is dancing naked about the people he and his fallback group led their earlier grave all over. The thing is that people don't have shame. You know, I have said what I want to say about that on that video, and I'm happy that you managed to squeeze out your time to go through that. Well, thank you so much, Ocean Master. All right, hear what Lazuba said here.
My name just Monday. And I'm happy.
No, I think I have missed something there.
Instead, eri aja na Igbo, aja na Igbo erie gị ike. A na-ekwekwa egwu. A na-emewekwa ama na a na-eme ụmụnne m. Yes. Ana m ekene unu niile. Na-asị na ama na ahụ onye ọnwụrụ kwasịrị ike. Dịka onye amaghị onye ọwa ịma adịghị good na ị na-asị ya onye ọ na-ama m enidi m isi na onye wụ enidi m isi na onye wụ ụmụnne m nya abịa m unu enwe n'iwe ike ọgwụgwụ o nwere ife mere na abịa m mesi ihe mere rụcha ọrụ nya ike gwụsịa m gwụm gwurikọcha m agwurikọ ọsọ si steeti m wee bịa ebe a na-asụ nsụ ka nji n'ọnwa ya ọ dị iri ana zuru ike kpọkọnọta isi ọnụ chịkọnọtakwa ndị niile ihe niile ha asasịrị ahasasị kpọkọnọtakwa ha ọnụ
Lazuba River Goddess is the notorious spender. Omelo one more than Mabulu Penti. Mabulu Penti will be. Hey, you are tired from work. Which work is that? Which work? Anyway, say what you want to say. Amadichi Goza, I see you. You're welcome, Amadichi Goza.
O nwere ife mmadụ na-akarị akarị. Efọ na akpọrọ m ada kwurikwuri mee ya adopt ozugbo because yes, ana m ataba ihe m na-ataba
Bido n'isi. Amadichi Goza, I greet you. James Goza, greetings to you.
Kocha ma gwurikọ si steeti m wee bịa ebe a na-asụ nsụ ka nji n'ọnwa ya ọ dị iri ana zuru ike kpọkọnọta isi ọnụ chịkọnọtakwa ndị niile ihe niile ha asasịrị ahasasị kpọkọnọtakwa ha ọnụ so n'ọnya ka meji wee bịa yesterday mana asị na tata iwuriti na anyị ma abịa n'oge ọwa eziokwu na m abịajara n'oge na ka asị na mmara abịa ebe 7 o'clock mechie n'oge tata abịakwa m ka m bịa gosiwe unu ihe mere n'Enugu mesi unu ihe mere na Anambra gosi unu ihe mere na Ebonyi mba ihe nji bịa tata wụ mmadụ ịtọ eyi mmadụ ịnọ sef ka nji bịa nọmba 1 ụlọ fia agbụgbụcha ọnụ edebere m mmiri ndị ụlọọlọ n'ala Igbo biko ụda ewe n'iwe nyaka anyị ma anyị nwụ ndị Igbo ma ndị anyị na-akpọ lọlọ na a na-emeriti kwere lọlọ emeriti a na-echi ya echi a na-anakịtakwa mmadụ lọlọ so biko ihe nji wee bịa wụ Madam Punk ọsụ na aba ya Madam Punk mana mụ nwa ya eso kpọọ Madam Punk because na kpọọ m ya anyway ekwesịkwara m ikpe Punk ahụ because o mere accept n'afọ ya at her age that's why Punk Madam Punk because to that mother onye dara azakwuru ya bara that Madam Punk
at her age whereas you in your own age you are painting hair. So him and age matters a lot. Age, your age. There's something that you don't need to do based on your age. So you matter. So you actually know this part, right? I am not here to defend why is pineapple. No. Don't misunderstand it too. That I'm responding to La Zuba is because of what she will say. Okay, there's something she said here. Also, in the for Mother 4. All those names, Imana, so okay, with that. You know how I trade the mark now. So that is why after listening to that, I said no. I think I need to react on this. So that is why that's the only reason. Madam Isi Pineapple, she's not even a madam, to be honest with you. You just Imagomo ofekike ne chimezie lolo chimezie ka ọ gịnị ka ọ na-akpọ ya ịbụ lolo na-anụ di ya. From where I come from, I don't know your own part of Igbo. Lolo can only be people that are Igwe's wife. You know, that's what we call Lolo. Igwe's wife. We dig up Igwe. Dig on my qualified Igbo no in your village. Ibago na budget plan to Nazalon. And then the reason why I'm here, like I told this for La Zuba, not why is it punk or why is it pineapple. So let's hear.
Then young make adopt. Because I need not follow on social media I can adopt. And I may make many suit munu adopt. In case suit and I may adopt because only if money na carry. Therefore, na on my dakuri may adopt ozbo because she is anamatama even na tama ekwurichana ha ncha niile onye onye na-eme afọ ahụ ọ danyetara so may adopt ozbo maybe no mo ka ọ na-ene anya. So and another person ji wee bịawo obi nwanne ndị Igbo ime o nwere message o sendiri madam Punk Nneka Chimezie wee sụsụ mee ka ọ gaa viral ka o ruo Nneka Chimezie aka mmenyere ya aka. Then another person ji wee bịakwa Onowu Igbo ezu ụmụ iyo tagala na m ya sị na o nwere okwu okwuru meseji ozi oziri Nneka Chimezie ozi ahụ bara m ahụ ọ baka m ahụ ndị maka ka m na-eji wee sị na ya emenye aka. Then second one Ngozi Olabugoro Fulani commander in chief of terrorists o delele terrorist ndị ogbu gasịrị ndị otu ogburu egbu ndị jụrụ iso n'ogbu ofa ndị jụrụ iso egbu ofa ma ndị egburu ebe a na-eji kidnap ndị mmadụ egbu ofe ebe a jere kidnapping ma ndị egburu ndị na-eji fight Biafra angel nyebe egosi ebe ya wụ ndị gburu onwe fa na ndị jere fight Biafra angel gbuo onwe fa because our angel anaghị egbu mmadụ.
This part can't be a big equal in this video. Reasonable that now, as it stands today, La Zuba and Biafra Unite are 5 and 6. The first person that came out and labeled that don't go to the DPM, the boom mother. Is Biafra Unite. You remember the issue of Okis of Fire? How many of you watched it? Remember those days? Okis of Fire. At that time, people were just rumoring, Ngozi, what you are doing, it may be this, so do it this way. Now we know how to do it, leave us to do it, Ngozi, remove your hand, now we know this road, now we're supposed to do more. When Biafra United came up, because only 2 times he did something after declaration that I was like, that I felt so bad. First, charter. 2 is that Okis of Fire. Every other video that he has done, actually, I don't feel offended, or I don't see it as something terrible or anything that we weren't talking about. But you see, the first one in charter, and why charter is because he came out and told people that he's surprised that people are doing this and doing that. They should have let him know. In fact, he's gonna call for a meeting and all that. Little did we know that this guy has been part and parcel of the problem before even declaration. He has been part of the people is getting this problem before declaration. But go and watch his first reaction video on the incident, on the case that started after declaring Biafra. He was talking as if he actually means something good. He meant well. I was like, oh, thank God. I said it now. There's no way PM will not have people that are reasonable enough. At that time, because I don't know what the cause of the problem, I was saying that I am neutral, that I don't support to Keke Mokafu. That was my stand at that initial time. Then this Nkiru you are hearing to the Madam Niki that constantly changing her names. Just like Sana Akbarawa has been changing his own names from Akbarawa Simon, Akbarawa Sonny, and all of them. The moment this is no longer PM did not say what he wants, he changed his name to Mazi Akbarawa. That's the way what he's putting now, without even putting his own name. It's okay. But I just want for you to remember and let your conscience and your mind feast on that, because you get why. Now, when the African United started talking about case of fire issue, because I'm watching from outside, I'm not an insider. Watching that video, seeing silent like police car, and you're telling me that Ngozi Okonjo is the one that mobilize Ilubago people to go and challenge Biafra Liberation Army. That video shocked me. Even though you don't like Orabeze, you don't like her, you don't must you show us hate? Because the video, you did not make that video and send it to DPM on her private chat. You made it and put it, out in the public. Victim of that your video could be people that have not done anything wrong to you. That's why, as a content creator or quote unquote journalist, like most of you want to love to be, or as an activist or a freedom fighter that many of you have attached to your name, your video matters a lot. There are some things you don't need to feed our people, because once you lie, people may think that you are saying the truth and act on that thing, and the damage that may come from it may be overwhelming. You may not have what it takes to retrieve it or even amend it. It will be beyond your control. And to you think that you keeping silent at that point in time means that you have resurrected yourself. After all, you did not get involved. But what you said, how you like to people, painting other people bad, is one of the things that made me to add my voice to what is playing out. Because first thing they would do is to paint somebody they don't like bad. You would take no charcoal and battery. Gucci and no buy a midfield and I gave a here muddy beginner. Company the person the black. Knowing fully that the compression of that person is just fair. The person is not black, it's not dark. But because you want to hate people to hate the person, you begin to lie and put even deep down your subconsciousness, you know that what you're saying is not true. But you still go out and feed that into people. That is what Biafra United did on the issue of case of fire. And I felt so bad about it, because how can you, where is your conscience? A man that came out and began to talk about Shatter, and after Shatter, when that one was not selling the way they want, he said that he's non-neutral, he will go back, and I said he want to advertise his he want to sell his channel. How many? I believe most of you remember those things. You know why I'm hitting on Biafra Unite? Because what Lazarus is saying is part of it is from Biafra Unite. Part of it from Biafra Unite. That the issue of these have been their trademark. Most especially those who say they want to fall back to autopilot, and of course fall back to the public. Let's continue, because I have told you why her video is here. No, so don't say you're attacking why is it pineapple? No, you ain't for 7. You ain't jaja. So legend.
O nwere ife mmadụ na-akarị akarị. Efọ na-akpọrọ m ada kwurikwuri mee ya adopt ozugbo because yes, ana m ataba ebe m na-ataba ekwuricha na ha ncha niile. Onye na-eme afọ ahụ.
Akpọkwa gị Lazuba. Yet you are yet to debunk it. Are you Lazuba or not? Akpọ gị Lazuba. And not that one is not to cajoke you. That is written in your document. Are you Lazuba or not? Ada jana na-ekwezu ko ya gwana anyị afa ga Lazuba. Mba, imankunu nke na. You will not say that one.
Ọ danyetara so mee ya adopt ozugbo. Maybe no mo ka ọ na-ene anya. So, and
Okay,
another person
okay,
ji
my
wee
brother,
bịa
you are going to get it from WhatsApp now.
Imo o nwere message o sendiri Madam Punk. Nneka Chimezie. Wee sụsụ mee ka ọ gaa viral ka o ruo Nneka Chimezie aka mmenyere ya aka. Then another person ji wee bịakwa Onowu Igbo ezu ụmụ iyo.
This is the reason why I dragged the video back. You know, when there's this saying that says, show me who you go with, and I will tell you who you are. Meaning that the circle of your friends matters who you are. If you can friend know who can about the teacher here, or what can I do? And the man on the politicians. Now, once you put a very, you want people, or Ghana Senate, or for now, yes, I am here, my honorable members. I am here to oppose this motion that said this and said that. So that's one of his videos that I was watching. I laughed. If you don't know what Igbo can do, then you may not understand what the guy represents. If you don't understand what what Igbo capable of doing, my brother, you may not understand. Please, Favor, my brother. Okay, I've seen your message. Check your WhatsApp, Favor. Check your WhatsApp. Maybe you want to run the program together with me. Here is the link. Yeah, check your WhatsApp. You can join me while we go through this. Okay. Now, listen and listen very, very carefully. Ono Igbo don't represent anything Mass American, neither PM. And I find this confusing. I find it difficult to understand why people who claim they are for PM and they are, they are most understandable people on social media, most vocalists, and what they love to call them. Give their names, give themselves names, this kind of gigantic name. Why is such always want to let you know that, oh, she's this, she's that. Listen, if you are truly for PM or Mass American, there's no way you befriend or know even appreciate or know. Because these are the class of people telling to bring their head. You see this this serpentine life most of you are living. I will try my best to expose it because it is very, very dangerous. That's why some people will now kill on people that has questionable character. How can you be praising no say the therefore you are talking about is just as bad as Udele. It's as bad as Chibuzegwat. The only difference between them is that he's not yet been contracted fully to carry out jihad. The full jihadists now have Asal Dokobon, Udele, and Chibuzegwat. These are the official people, of course, with cash shots. Mandeka Abu baby, Dika Abu just baby. When it comes to sabotage and the full but people that know what they're doing officially, they even know the name and even Takia, they understand it very, very well, and they're working towards that is Udele, Jovika. Kesho is not fully there yet. He's not fully there yet because that one doesn't Africa as a village man, a village, then not a village. Again, I will tell you his own part. They are using him to carry out the jihad officially in our land. Don't expect to see Sudan or Sokoto to command anybody there. It's gonna be your people commanded. And Lazuba, Ebo Kodike, Ono Wibu. These are people that are doing what they're doing, pretending that they're actually for freedom. They are not. because they are all of them are of age. They actually understand what they're doing. They know the role they're playing. They know their role. How can you be constantly in contact with people, constantly in contact with all these US people and all that, and we turn around to delete number of other Biafrans that claim that because they disagree with you, you don't want to, you cannot talk to them, you can't, but you always imagine if I test Lasso Banana, what do you think he will do? She will do. She will come out and show you and even publish it. But each time she's showing you a Epic, she will take the phone. You see, and go. Play the complete conversation between you and Epic. She will not. She will always check the minutes, drag the video and play. Did he okay? Epic gets data. Was it okay? Nah, I don't want to play that rubbish. Why she called it rubbish and cut it off? Because she don't want to hear the complete conversation. If truly you hate Epic, why? You are 4 people. Why haven't you blocked him? Oh yeah, what they cover. Now let's just pay attention so you understand.
Tag Alan ya. Say no nwere okwu message oziri nne ozi ahụ bara m ahụ ọ baka m ahụ and maka ka m na-eji wee sị na ya emenye aka. Then second one, Ngozi Olabugoro Fulani, commander-in-chief of terrorists.
Now, he mentioned number 1, there is Ozibo Lolo Nekachimese. Number 2, no Wibo. You can see the joy going upon no Wibo, right? Then now come to sleep him and call her Golo Fulani and the terrorists. But to know Wibo, who is another advocate of Sipo Bomas Namodekan. Now, no, Biafra. All those, these are people. How can I not separate you from Onowibo then? Am I saying people should go after Onowibo? No. Am I telling you that Onowibo deserve to be buy? No, because I don't have any rights to anybody's life. All I'm telling you is for you to know the mindset of people and what they're actually doing. Just like now, when I talk about Yababa, who constantly calling Udele to his platform to advocate or to interview him and all that, how can I not separate Yambaba from Udele? Because normally, if you are actually neutral, there are some things somebody will say when you are interviewing the person. You ask some critical question about it. Maybe you are not knowledgeable enough about the person. For you now to go back and invite that person second time simply means that you have done your primary assignment on that person. Then much like a very good serious question is expected that you ask on your second encounter with that person. Maybe the first time you don't know, you did not expect that person will go deeper to talk some sensitive issue on your platform. Then if you want to call the person again, it simply means that you have prepared yourself to ask some questions, because when you are interviewing somebody, you as the interviewer, people expect you to throw some questions that opposite people, like people that oppose that thing, would have asked that person. It's expected of you to ask this question as a journalist, so that people not see the reaction. At the end of the day, they cannot see how balanced the program you organize looks. You don't just throw yourself like that, everything okay. No. Unless if you are accomplished, if both of you are thinking and believing in the same cause, that's a different thing.
O denelo norist ndị ogbu gasịrị ndị otu ogburu egbu ndị jụrụ iso na ogbu ofa ndị jụrụ iso na-egbu ofa ma ndị egburu ebe a na-eji kidnap ndị mmadụ igbu ofe ebe a jere kidnapping ma ndị egburu ndị na-eji fight Biafra angel nyebe egosi ebe ya wụ ndị gburu onwe fa na ndị jere fight Biafra angel gbuo onwe fa because
now you that is following this woman, I have a question for you. Listen very carefully. You pretend that you don't like what you go to and you can do there is doing, right? What are they doing? What is the belief and faith of Udele? Udele believe that everybody talking about Biafra is a criminal and a terrorist and buyer of our people. That's their belief. That's what they're telling people, telling their followers. They went to villages, some villages that are vulnerable or have people that know the codifa, and connive with them to preach this thing in the public. All right? And you claim that you are for battle BA and Mass Namonokan. Okay. Then you are now following a content creator, a woman that don't even know what she's doing. And each time you are following her and listen to her, she's calling BIAFRA a criminal, a terrorist, and then do watch and all that. And the kidnapper and then talk. And you are still following her. Now, are you following her that you believe what she's saying that is true? Or you are following her that you don't know what the meaning of what she's saying? Because I want to make it to make sense. If it's just like you now, if somebody come to your own family, your own father's house, not whether you are married or not, I don't care. I just want to talk about your own, the family of you and your siblings, which your father and mother built, right? If somebody come to your family and say that your father, your kinsmen, okay, are the people fighting against people that are giving other people poison. No more holy. Now fight against that's your own village. Then one of your siblings, one of your brother or your sister, apatana the whole village. Obiana habunu na bunu or na village na habunu. I have maybe listen na feel na bunu bụ nkwọ ma ike ma ori. Obiana boss I have bunu. Opatana ma blue public address system. If I ndị church a morning call. Now na-ekwu na nna ya nna mụrụ ya na papa ya bụ ogbuọchụ n'oge na-ekwu ọ na-aba na na-eme kuru na amikuru ke na-agacha places ebe ọ na-aga itoze ndị mmadụ si na ebe fa na-ete nkwụ ma ọ na ebe fa na-akọ nne ka fa gazọrọ achị ele nwanne gị nwoke pụta na-ekwu na-anasị na your own father mana ụmụ na gị ebe mpa gị ebe unu osopụta ama unu ama as ndị in fact ife unu na-emebu unu na achụ ndị ọjọọ like unu ejila onye ọbụla bụ butere nsị na aja unu achụpad ya ma ịga polisi unu achụpad ya ife aka eji mara ndị bụ unu ife agụrụ nwa na-eme ndị ọjọọ na-atụ unu ụjọ mana ya osibili pụta every now and then ọ na-akpọ nna mụzụ gị wa n'afọ na nna mụrụ gị bụ onye nsị na aja na n'abalị niile ọ na-agọcha osi n'abalị aga ezu oshi aga atụsa nsị na aja. What is different between that and Nagafa? How do you want the community to see you? How do you want them to see your father from Ndojo and Dozo, the family natural and they're against? How do you want them to see you that your father? Because you cannot tell me that you are inside the BIAFRA movement and Mass Namor kind of PM and in prison. Then you are waiting for them to come according to you, to come again and continue. Then you are not calling for other comrades, people that have worked with the Mass American and PM, people that have voice, that other people that are Ndojo doesn't have to their voice also. People can answer any side, for BIAFRA, according to you. Man, every now and then, you're not born there for Ndojo and the woman, and watch. My book, I see you with the picture, video you born before January. Ndojo from outside now see yes, but they want to tag your kinsmen Ndojo for them to pipe low from pursuing Ndojo. That is just the assignment. People put that you patch upon now, blue me start looking on the morning on or your camera, begin to lie, and you are lying with every assurance. That is the annoying part of it. Now, when you see what we Kenga, Jovican, what they're saying, now I'm going to be an able. No, how they watch that on the man. Then if you say, why is it in the hand? No, if they're from only BIAFRA. Or no camera, On a na reply ndị na-ekwu ife ọjọọ na-ebe Simon Ekpa Biafran prime minister nọ ebe na mmadụ ka na ya na-emefe attack yes ya na-agba war in the midst of that ịgba war sị na gọvanọ rebel nọkwa in line with ife DPM na-eme ọ na-egbu mmadụ. Not only how, you know why I pick on her? Because people don't actually understand what this woman represents. I used to think that she don't know the gravity of what she's saying, but it's now clear to me that she actually understands everything. She knows her left and right. If any from A to Z. One of our brothers reached out to me and told me that he always watches mocking this woman, the way she speaks English, that this woman knows how to speak very well, that she's just pretending. That one, I don't believe that, to be honest, but I understand the area where he's coming from, because it goes to show that people are not picking the, people now understand truly that this woman can pretend and lie and cover things. So that's why I asked a question. If truly Epe Kodike is a man, before even he came, say that he's going, before they said that he's waiting for Masakan to come out to buy him, would they have said this constantly and nobody questioned him, not even Igbo politicians. Once an Abe na nozo, we more na Kuregu no Nimofia. They don't just come out and talk like that because nobody go to the corridor. No, don't take it for granted. On there in the Imanda name and happen no afana chobodo. Na them in the war for. Obana Borogo, both home and abroad, in case if you don't know. Udre Borogo, home and abroad. And Borogo Obano, the people that can trace them Borogo. Bondi the genuine people claim the fan I will solidly behind you Oyendu. We solidly behind you PM. We solidly behind you Agowai. Like I said yesterday, I don't believe you. If you are talking to me and you say kind report, we solidly behind you. I see you as one of those that are very far, but I'm not gonna tell you. Don't say it. I don't believe you. I'm just telling you the truth. I don't believe you. In fact, if you say it constantly, I'll begin to suspect you. Because I've seen how people use that to manipulate other people. They can lie and pretend. Don't solidly behind anything. PM of all people is what people are celebrating that he's in jail and dancing over that, jubilating. You may not understand what I'm saying because it will get to a point where this woman actually said something. When somebody calls someone, I think why is it pineapple? This man said, like she's not counter it, you. She agreed in agreement with that. Why this woman claimed against PM in this same video. These are people pretending, telling you that. In fact, the boss of Gumi said, "Let us arm Igbo youth to fight with the all of our arm." That arm on our body. Now, take it Gumi say so that to people believe from the fan, they are the first to remind you that Gumi said, "Arm Igbo to fight the Igbo." And when not Nindu goes na the one is na Boniama, they are called in go Biafra. No, Boniama and Igbo like a legona. They go Kagali and the man was so. No, if I make it, no, if actually make it. People now constantly. Actually, the one they're using. I don't need to see I don't need to wait for months to understand where you stand for. The way you are presenting your word, I already know who you are. That is me. I don't know about another person. I can't force you to trust anybody or to remove your trust from anybody. If you like to distrust anybody, it's your choice. If you like to trust, it's your choice. But my own is to point one or two things for you to make your final decision. I can't make it for you. Why did you not adopt Lazuba? That document, that is it, my dear. She will not do that. Margaret is in the house. I see you, Margaret. Achibose, I see you again. Christina, I see you. Peter Frank, God bless you. Tony Martins, I greet you. And Boyinfa is in the house. Evangelist Louis, I send the link to you on WhatsApp, evangelist. Just click on go to WhatsApp. There's a link there. Tap it to bring you here in the studio. Okay. Let's continue.
Our angel anaghị egbu mmadụ. Ndị ujele ka fa gbuo Biafra angel gbuo onwe fa because that na aja ana Igbo we are instead ihe eri aja ana Igbo ana aja ana Igbo erie gị.
Okwoyo na people with the shallow mind that say ndị Igbo ada gbasiri ike. She is just watering the ground for you to continue your mumu, and she will keep on penetrating you, dealing with you like cancer. You think again, always open your door, open the other door for a better understanding. If you keep on following sheepishly, now if you get that on her account, not on she said you want to call your attention to her stupidity so she can advance her cause. Just ask yourself on your own quiet time, why is she constantly calling DPM? Apart from getting now the other day, there's so many proof to hang on, to pick on, to prove that this woman is not what you think.
Yes. Mana ibe ndị ngozi wepụtagodoro na list ifa kpọgasịa afafa wundu ngozi ọla bụ eze gburu maka na anaghị esozi fa maka ịjụ ha n'iso ngozi ogbuo gị ọ ikwu ha na against ngozi ogbuo gị ma aja asịra nkata pila nke anyị anụghị onugo ọ dị ka agbagbuo nene gị.
Saying this thing is to exonerate Chibu's Egwatu, that what they're saying is not lie, that they're actually saying the truth. Meaning that she's working, all of them are in the same category, they are working together. But the reason why she's hiding it because she don't want to lose you as her follower. She don't want that. I follow, she don't want to lose you. Now, how can you say that? How can you say that DPM is the one responsible for this kind of thing? You think you know, but you know how to investigate issue better than Amnesty International. You think you know how to analyze issue better than Amnesty International. Now, since you are saying what you are saying, bring one evidence. And mind you, DPM is one exposing this killing and illegal detention and illegal arrest of people for Biafrans, that they will take them to a known location, and it will take some weeks, sometimes months, for people to even know where they are. In some cases, you won't even see their body. And this has been happening since 2021. Go to Amnesty International platform on X. Please go and see it. Just scroll down. You will see Okechukwu. I have shared so many videos like that here on my platform. You will see the mention name and the time they're being kidnapped and the people that actually kidnapped them. They mention event, where the location, and how they got their intels. Amnesty International outline all those things. It is there. 2021, no. People have been disappearing since 2021. But there's this kind of people are saying it as if DPM is the one that, in this her regime now, that she's the one that started because of her. Anybody saying is that is the same group with Udele, Jovika, Ebekwodike, Chibuze Egwatu, all this one, the Lord Oneka. Who would have believed that this one is part of it? If not that, Master Makano stopped her from coming to him. And let me tell you, why is it pineapple? Started shouting. I told you then that this is a way to create, she just wants to create a vacuum so that people will not go there, because her assignment could be, I'm not saying that no intel, please. I'm just telling you what my instinct is telling me. It could be that she have part of her contract is to give Manamorgano within the Yellow Bacha in water. But surprise, when she got there, she found out that Master American relations and siblings happened to be very close to monitor his food there. The chance no day. The best is to come back and begin to rant on your platform so the Master American will not have enemy among themselves. One man they were poor in our task, then she cannot sneak in and do the job. if they can be telling you that he will buy mass can constantly saying it, this to tell you that it's not only him. It's not only him saying that. Their group, some of them have maybe no way, go dinner first to buy him, take this money. Because Lord Oneka, pushing for Mazokano siblings to go so that Ndi Babuli finish the Mazokano. I say, hope if him now kick baza. Just think about it. Your siblings will just get away from you. The fact was suspect. Don't want to was another way. They should just go so that a stranger. Why or do this one to go missing in this one or do go missing in I. Cover the same as I'm going to phone. Ka ọma ma ga-eyi apụl ụdị apụl amechila bacha ya ka ọ na-achọ ka eyi ya n'ọgwụ ndị Igbo hua na-ege this one ntị. Listen, na anụ anyị ife anyị na-akpọ di ngosi na bugoro fulani. The end point is to she want to use her platform to tell you that it is true what they are saying about PM is true. Because if Ngozi DPM is doing that, which you are saying, they will not say it's true. No, Simon. She continued from where Simon stopped. That is agenda. But she will still come out and begin to attack her colleague. Do you know why her colleague is not responding to her? Because they understand what she's doing. Have you seen any of them responding to her? No. But they are so eager to respond to 30 minutes speech of DPM. Which DPM don't call them name. DPM don't call them name. She don't call the Afa. But this one on her camera begin to call Afa, call Afa for almost 2 hours at the me attack. Or may say attack on the to make you to believe that she's for genuine pattern of freedom. She's not among them. Ogakpo Ikengafa, Ogbo Udenafa, Ogbo Neka Chimeze Afa, Ogbo Ebekudi Gafa. Yeah, the Ogbo Ebekudi Gafa, Ebekudi Makasen, the Korea more evidence. The if you're not gonna buy or not supply quite just like now. If you just imagine that I come to your WhatsApp contact and I lay calls on you. And I come here and play that, I lay curse on you. And you see that Mr. A. Mr. A, he sent DM to me. And then I replied, he was telling me that he hate DPM. And I insulted him. See my voice, I will play it. I say, carry the port. I went, carry the port. Then, after saying that, I will not go back and freeze the conversation with Ebegodike. What are the point now? Why is it that Ebegodike still have that courage to be in contact with a woman that constantly insulting her? Because Ebegodike don't take that insult to heart. He understands the insult is just for formality. What are you now? It's intelligent. Your intelligence is nothing. We know the game we are playing. Triple M, I see you. Ngozi Morin, I greet you. And Margaret, I've said my greetings to you. Joshua is here with us. Joshua, you are welcome. And our own brother, Ezenwife, I see your comment. God bless all of you. And please, if you have not liked the video, please do me a favor. Click on like button. It's not going to deduct any money from your account. It's actually 100% free. Please tap it. It's very, very important. We have 54 minutes of the program, so our target is 2 hours. We're going to wind down. Immediately is 2 hours, we'll stop. Listen.
Yeah. Ngozi serve the zoo and come back with the shame. Yes. I don't easily man come back with the shame. You will come back with your body bag. Now what can I offer your body bag? Yes. You will come back with inside the pit. No problem. I don't know the other way. Hey, again, Kelemono, where my cage lady is no danger. Yes, I don't know the Pentecost. were bịa yes now ebezi ka m ebido ebezi ka m ga-ebido
ị ga-aga bụrụ ike ndị Pentikọst eke ọgba na Maịsọ Pentikọst ọ nọgba ka ị ga na ego ọgba ka ị mara ebe gịnị ka ị ma bụ gbasa Pentikọst ịnụ ka ikwu n'ibe gị kwu in my Pentecost. What do you feel about Pentecost? The thing is that we know that you're a voodoo woman. Nobody's doubting that. But the thing is that your voodoo is for those that are vulnerable to you. The truth, I'm not here to say that you are not but now ịma ị ga ọma ebe ọ bụ gị na ndị arụsị bụ ị ga gị na aga na-eme ya mmịa River Goddess, I see you. River Goddess, I see you. You're welcome. Welcome.
Because program tata ya ete aka so jenu gote nu popcorn unu njere unu egote popcorn agbana m Kelenna even program Kelenna mere 7 hours ọka wụrụ 705 na enene ọ bụrụ na ọmụnwa ka o ji mee program a kịta ọ na-elu one 2,000 people and ọ na-ewe m iwe ọ na-elu one 2,000 people wọchịrị ya na-akọ na-agakwa
ọ bụla maka gịwa na onwe gị na-ekwu ha mere 2,000 gị na-eweta ị na-ekwu na kede ha mere 2,000 gị na-eweta na nke gịwa ndị we platform na-echenjila ọnọdụ onye ọbụla ma nke afọ ha chenjila ọnọdụ mana ọnọdụ echenjila abụrụ kene na-ewetara owete 700 kene na-eme ihe ka ọ bụrụ target ogo bido program abụrụ ka owete 2,000 ọ bụla kene na-adọ ha ịchụ 2,000 ife ọ na-emebi ime ga-expose and rightly so ị bịa na-eme ọ bụrụ na o mere ojikwa ome no, the primary purpose is to tell the truth about you. The view is just a different ball game. Go on, no, we get name the view. They can go on the way and I can go on. You get you with Kenena is doing what he's doing. I'm man on a dago candle nazo. On a dago candle and you don't like him. In a kitchen, okay, keep one again. When they're 7 hours, my program 7 hours, and so what? Message or passing and that is the main thing. Or you want to program with target. So it could connect. If you can remember, it's just contact and say nah. It done about too much. You could just know why. Gas set to low with the cannon and go up again. Oh, but ada ga-ekwu maka ime na gị na-emere because ifu Kenena humble lion why have post no ga oge fasting no ga oge I'm telling you Kenena put and say let us preach let us preach why is it's not that ọba gị na and ị na-achọ mmisi isi ya ife ị ga-eme ka ọ kwụsị ịnọgide na na-ege ya na na-akwụrụ ya recharge even cheni ikwu nke ahụ gbana for where ibute again say na ọ na-abụ ha na ọsọsọ ya ka ọ na-eme ike na ịba ala na-azụ nwa ị na-azụ mana a ga na-ekwu because ị na-achọ ga-akwụsị ikwu okwu. That's not the fact. I said that I will not be running program constantly on you because I don't want you to feel that you're important. That's number one. If you begin to talk about it, to be honest with you, run 3 program or 4 program a day. We can do it. You. Source of video 1 month, like 5 months ago, is enough. Just 1 month. But if it's you got water. Man, one thing I like about the whole is that no matter how you twist it, can any shift. Shift. Appreciate as well. If I attack to get an church here, so let us preach. Go preach here, on the wiggy. On the wiggy, and opposite of week, I'm tell on I go, get a kai. That the reason we are talking about Ablo Makaju, Eman Oblo Makaju. If they come again that, no, but I didn't get it. Iga Luana. Oh, come on, I want to buy an egg. They keep face with. Kenena have never forced anybody. Oh, don't go watch her. Have you seen Kenena say anything like that? No. Because his focus is the truth about you. Cartoon can if you Marcos welcome. And I'm today, I'm not surprised. It's an bag of popcorn. I can say on a bag of candle. And all candle on a don't bag now. You don't go stop. Yeah, Kenena no go stop. Or what more man, I'm no go stop. You got to go. Preaching about you, you can eventually me well. I'm in support of that, but I may not be doing that. Okay, that's my own reason. But am I against anybody doing it? God forbid. I can attack a candle. I die. You put it on them. You got to go. So don't use style. You know your big style. Style. Each style now when now you can mama gam. You go remember. Okay, you know go say you know you go complete them. You go complete them.
Nako, naga. Achọ m ka unu tagaala m ndị ibe na na-akpọ dị ya akpọ.
Jewe na ige cheti ya. Mmadụ ndị dọrọ ya bụ mmadụ. Onye ọjọọ. Full time. I'm telling you, full time. I know the way you will. She don't like it.
Achọ m ka unu tagaala m
okene na mma gwa gị ga-egote ọjị Igbo, ọjị gbara 7. Igbute ebi na ị ga-eji obi Igbo. Anyị hapụ gị aka. Ma ọkwa maka ọkwa adịla wuji, ọ ga-amụ ya another one. Ọ na-ada gị ya. Ikwete na ọ na-eme.
amamenye ya ebido n'aka wee taa na ọkọta ọkalịlị mana nsogbu adọrọ. Achọrọ m ka a tagaala m Nneka Chimezie ka anyị bidogodo na ya nwaanyị wee gbahitere
ọkwa kolegi ya ka ọ
first of all achọrọ m ibido na program ikuku nna wee dresie Nneka Chimezie.
River Goddess okay na ya na because about why you na mortuary get address na you na mo actually they will dress ya mama mi na dress e dey kan wala o hey Chineke wele mate bele
merde ọkwa nke ewe m iwe.
Ichukwashi ị ga-agba ndị na-edres na ọkwa banada te abakwa idres ndị mana abafa aga ụta woto
ahụ nke ewe m iwe.
Lazuba General.
Ụmụnne m jos nwere m ndidi.
My promise to you, Atocho, is that you must surely regret all these your senseless lies. And I tell you, Margaret, and I tell you. Actually, go to Canada, get my good card go to I'm a second Kim against wedding. Ngozi Morin, old school, Lazuba, changing your gray hair will not save you.
Now, this is from Enugu State. You have seen it. In conclusion, we are going to play one more last video. After that very video, I conclude or make you. Unfortunately, this is something that I never wanted to do before. I wanted to allow this woman, this mad woman, to continue her madness because she is.
River Goddess, I understand you. She is sleepless.
Network.
My dear Doreen, this woman is on a chocolate get to your pick, I'm telling you. All for get to all man family.
Okay. Not for Hogon. On a Damago candle. Kaineche Ikukuna Kochi has. Onwele interview. Onwele okwu Nneka Chimezie kwuru. Okwu ahụ ọsọ kia dress ye Ngozi Olabugolo Fulani. Oyife okwu. Achọrọ m ka anyị gee ntị n'okwu a ekwuru ebe a.
Avec le plus grand choix d'annonces.
Achọrọ m ka anyị gee ntị ka anyị bidogoro before ikuku na ihe m ya dị mma ka ama m ọbe m ka o si ka ọ bie mana nke ọnwụ na nke ọnwụ na ụmụnne m ọnụ na-abata ụnụ a na-eshi a na-ata gị na-akpọkọnọta mee ka ama dat na anyị abịalugo na ịnụ ya. Achọrọ m ka unu gee ntị ife Nneka Chimezie kwuru ebe a.
Ị na-ajụ ụmụ change house ọkwa akpọrọ notorious penta omelotu is ọgbagburu pent. You're gonna just last one day we put why notorious penta omelotu is why ọgbagburu pent. Even they know what Jesus are. Anyway, my sister, I'm okay. I swear no. I got him too so graduate, maybe not actually on a guy, maybe industrial training from after graduation. You get I don't want to get just not to get dressing adult. Say Masakai dress. Okay, Masakai dressing adult. My dear. I'm addressing the adequate. No, I talk about you come shoot my boy and no address. That is true. That is true. Okay, I don't try.
Ekele m unu ọlọlọ Nneka Chimezie na-ekwu aka nwanyị punk. Biko onye ọbụla nụrụ ihe a m na-ekwu taa tụsaa ya. Ihe a wo gene ka m na-akụ. Igbo niile geenụ ntị ebe ọbụla unu nọ. Onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo ṅụjuru mmiri ara afọ furu Igbo n'anya mana in the last 6 years has not been easy for us, or 5 years have not been easy for us. I lose a lot of youth. I watch it die and when he kill her. Iboni nege Montana may raise another awareness, another round of insecurity na Chibatana Southeast.
Okay, we're doing it.
When you na Gwandi Wobanya will not be Becky and Mugunam. Ototon de Mehane Kuno Wasa Hanadi frustrated by him. But then you can be the Kajamadike. Onyan on one you couldn't suba have the already. Onyam na Chi Paliteron or Simon Ekpa, no new Tiao Doctor Goto or a present. Odo Gomanya do Kanya na Onya Ndo Tsa Bunda Kurugo Jihad and men in Nigeria today Abudus also na me.
Please you, whether you understand Igbo language or you don't understand Igbo language, you see this part? That is where you must pay attention. Okay? The reason is because I want you to focus on what the woman is saying and also focus the countenance of Lazuba. As the YEC Pineapple release her stupidity, the countenance of Lazuba, I wanted to pay attention to that. Sometimes she puts a little smile on her face while listening to what this woman is saying. And the woman made it clear. Simon Ekpa, no you to ya, because of the person. Are you following? Like husband and wife, brother and sister, uncle and aunt. Two things that you must peg together. You must peg them together. You must bring them together. If you see PM, you have seen Orabeze. Do you understand? That is the template. That is the structure. Lazuba picking on DPM and turn and praise PM is a sign of fake. It simply means there's no love on PM, there's no love on DPM. Just like Master McCann, people picking on, go and check people that have done this in the past. People who pick PM and reject Master McCann, or people who pick Master McCann and reject PM. You know, go walk. And what are the point now? It's just like when if you go to market and buy a can bread, you have to find out about this and any table. You can get to measure two of them together. One man, people don't go give you advice. And as soon as you don't have to worry about ya 1 minute. This part I want to focus on everything that this woman will say here and the countenance of Lazuba with her red scarf or
Jihad all over the world planned by Iran. And don't hear America so hard.
Oh, neka chimezie neba we na suno. Una mind kwana. Maka terrorists terrorize the whole everywhere. Even in Kabatrana Nenugu de Buchasin Denugu. Neka chimezie suka mind na. After all, no worldwide. No worldwide, no also na Nigeria koneme. So ga mind na. No ni focus to niawo.
Est-ce que tu savais que tu peux gagner ta vie avec une compétence que tu as déjà? Cette compétence, c'est l'écriture. Aujourd'hui, moi, j'écris des emails pour les entreprises et ces entreprises, elles me payent très cher en échange. Donc, si tu es quelqu'un qui aime écrire et qui aimerait se reconvertir ou ouvrir un side business, donc un revenu complémentaire, simplement...
Na another thing na chi menu n'ihe edobe ahụ na ọgbasa gị mana o ji emesi agbasa gị na onye chọrọ ịkọ n'ubi ya wu terrorist Ngozi Olabe Gwolo Fulani and Obata Obie Simon Ekpanjọ ka isi na-ebu ogidi wa.
Now hold it there. What did I tell you? Did you notice something here? He concurred with what Nneka is saying. Terrorist Ngozi Olabe, okay? He concurred with what, and to how she's exposed, she's attacking why is it pineapple? How is it been at? How can you say that you're attacking her? First and foremost, you have already accepted, you have already, appreciated her already by what you just said now. Even the woman have not even called DPM or terrorist. She does say that too. She's just telling her. If you in a preamble, now I want to work a Gandhi baby. Okay, they made the woman expose. They dress the woman. I'm not going to dress 1 year. This is just to share her ignorance and stupidity. Or you don't know your one couple. Man, or you got school, make sure I got school. So that at least one will help you. In that we no waga to attack. Man, oga aka genjo. Ne garo na waga gana. Amoko mo ge 1 year aka. Ne kwegent. Because some umake top the gun. Are they not on social media in this present age? They don't see, they don't watch their mother's video. Anyway, Canada.
The good guy. Culture you with the Nana gente, wele nuntunu meloche, kone kukono nano, kono how evil this woman ana kone kachimezie de. Because if you na jida akpa afia, ne kachimezie, eye na akpa that name. Because
how is she evil? Even melo ya ko ene jida kono chena watch your video. How is she evil? It be people just now we go na truly. Ife why is he pineapple haircut akuleba? No eziokwu. Na gị na Ngozi anọgo na ọ na-egbu ọchụ na ọya ogbenigwe. Ọ ife ị na-ekwu because ya ka nwaanyị na-akọwa na agwa ndị otu ebe a. No, Simon Ekpa na Ngozi Ọrabeze bụ the problem. Ịmabụde na platform gị na-asị na-eziokwu kama na onye nke abụrụ na onye nke abụrụ, but it's not true. Ewu na ọkụkọ ma the same thing DS did. Oh, Simon Ekpa, we go, Massey, we are prepared so you can go to Finland and testify. That boy must enter prison. That thing in Finland, they must enter prison. Bulia guy na Finland got testify. Budichilu na ka nduru ndosi. Kanda nda male edoko n'ihu ha. We ga na Finland testify. Shatter back. Mazi IPOB, one family, IPOB. And Nigerian government capitalized on that thing and jailed mass number the gun. The same pattern, the same people, the same forum. Nothing different. Nege
ọsọ chọrọ ka akwụsị ịkpọ ya Nneka Chimezie kpọzie Madam Punk. No na ndị intelligent ma the game nwaanyị a na-azụ sunu na ya emego adopt Nneka Madam Punk. Ọ chọrọ ka akpọwazie Madam Punk. Hafuzie ịkpa Nneka Chimezie. Bịa ya na-akpa dati Nneka na-akpọwarụrụ ya isi Chimezie. Asụ na onye Imo steeti a na-ana ya na Nnewi mana eberivu m na onye awa onye Imo steeti. Ọ bụrụgodu na onye Imo steeti ma anọ ndụ Fulani tụrụ ime. On the never water na show. Nenu 911 because these people they are character are those different. They are the way conscience.
Na last one, I don't get car. That's not that to be made in 911. That's even in 911. Opa your colleague you. Ima kwa kuduzade. But Kanaga, okay, your colleague, make a point.
Obi ndano nazo, the kind of Obi Nneka Chimezie nwe, the same thing ka Ngozi Ola bụ Gwolo Fulani nwelu. Ndị a na-apụta wele white kpọọ ya blue, wele blue kpọọ ya black. Wele na-deceive ndị amara ife. Achọrọ nke unu gee ntị otu Nneka Chimezie si wee bido okwu a. Ọnwụ na ige ntị ka o si wee bidie. Ihe chọrọ nke ọka ọrụkwa na attention ndị Igbo na Awụsa abatagokwa ọka na Fulani terrorist abatagokwa. Onye ọzọ mere ọ divert anya na akparago Ngozi Ola bụ Gwolo Fulani mana achọrọ m ịgwa Nneka Chimezie biko ị na-akụ asịrị ị na-akụ don't join Ngozi Ola bụ Gwolo Fulani and Simon Ekpa Njoku together. Ị na ife na-agwa gị amazikwere ya nwa ọzọ o nwere ife jikọrọ Ngozi Ola bụ eze na ọbata Obi Simon Ekpa Njoku isi na-ebu ogidi.
The same thing DOS was saying. Oh, PM Simon Ekpa is not an IPOB member. He's not IPOB. He's not an oath member. He's not an IPOB member. But jail him by through his buying people. He's kidnapping. He's after saying that to people who are actually pursuing them all. It's not called enemy. You are reporting your brother to them to choose and select. No, so what much even. If you listen to DOS, then you think that they actually care for Mass Namodekan. Listen very well, so because I remember something now. When they were saying those things, if you follow them, that you will think, you may believe that through the Mass Namodekan, they actually want to protect Mass Namodekan. But now, the announcement is that Master Namodekan is not a bomber. Now, I can't try and what if that is true. Are you following it now? That is to say that since day one, they are in line with this issue of arresting and buying him. But because if they come out openly, it will affect their followership and it will affect the money that they are generating. the same thing this woman is doing to them. If you go to comment section of this video, if you go to it now we are broadcasting on Facebook and we are broadcasting on YouTube. With the gray hair, okay, mad. Now I say again, all brain now if you make it mad. Without it again, I get about the same. Okay, from a human being. All the difference between other mammals with human being is just brain, our ability to reason, our ability to think. Without that ability, you are just as good as a bee. I'm telling you.
And I even now because Simon Ekpanjoko, who the leader of Biafran government in exile, he was your autopilot. Yes, Ngozi Olabugwolo Fulani is a commander general, USBG terrorist organization. Ngozi Olabugwolo Fulani will her own terrorist organization and I call Elite Squad. Elite Squad, then what if you call Elite Squad and with Biafran angel. Where they kept a Biafran soldier. What if you call a fanab? Elite Squad or evil duty atrare. Or what if you call mad naba? Had each. And if you watch Mbana fight Biafran angel, Biafran Liberation Army. Can Paul on give a corona and a gallon on equal, and he appointed there one day. One day, Oyapogonono. Let me tell you something in there, Kachimezie. Mbono na fight Biafran Liberation Army, which is Fulani terrorist, with a talon, Dubuku Halam, with a talon, which is terrorist elite squad on Gozi, which has started the quarter terrorist squad. Nekachimezie. And the Bubago terrorist squad, lead by Ngozi Olabeze also. And Kedaviano.
Now, in case if you don't, hey, I drag this too much. Wait. I miss.
Ndije kwa shop make off well Nimo State. Wada. Adandembo nande Ngozi Olabugwolo Fulani.
Sorry, I mistakenly.
Who slave no wuni bube digi because now
I wanted to
squad on Ngozi with your own terrorist squad. Come here no call na attention.
Jihad na-eme na Nigeria today abụrụ sọsọ na Igbo ka na-eme.
Here no call na attention. Here no call na attention. SBG terrorist organization.
Sorry, let's continue from here.
Ngozi Olabugwolo Fulani will her own terrorist organization and I call Elite Squad. Elite Squad, then what if you call Elite Squad and with Biafran angel. Where they kept a Biafran soldier. Or what if you call a fanab? Elite Squad or evil duty atrare. Or what if you call mad naba? Had each. And if you watch Mbana fight Biafran angel, Biafran Liberation Army, can Paul on give a corona and a gallon on equal, and he appointed there one day. One day, Oyapogonono. Let me tell you something in there, Kachimezie. Mbono na fight Biafran Liberation Army, which is Fulani terrorist, with a talon, Dubuku Halam, with a talon, which is terrorist elite squad on Gozi, which has started the quarter terrorist squad. Nekachimezie and the Bubago.
This is the reason why I mentioned Biafran Unite. This is the pattern of Biafran Unite, what he said in the past, that DPM is working with the Bubago and all that nonsense. It's still in the memory of this if I never. Now you see the people that this woman is working together with. They know all this that this woman is saying, they know. But this woman is trying to tell you that Samoneta is the one in charge of the Biafran Liberation Army, which is okay. And the Biafran Liberation Army is this, is that. The same woman you are telling, don't believe, is even Biafran Liberation Army that this woman is telling that they committed crime. If you na find out they label that on different liberation army. Nigerian army, Nigerian government, they know all these differences. But they want to tell you, to them, whatever Biafran Liberation Army committed, they call them ESN. They say that Biafran Liberation Army is ESN. Why are they calling ESN? Because they want to tag that to Mas Namadokan. Now, the same people tag it also to PM Simon Ekpa. I just want to understand what these people are doing. I'm talking about from the angle of the Nigerian government. They know all these names. They know all this. Everything you are saying, they know. But the reason why they keep on, they don't mention Biafran Liberation Army because they want Mazakan to be included with whatever they claim that Biafran Liberation Army have committed. They want to label that on Mas Namadokan also. The same time, they want to label it on PM so that it will be more very, very easy. The word ESN. And how stupid and how myopic DOS are. They don't use their intelligence to understand this. And if I what's the name of this? If I Ejofo was the one advising them. Oh, distance yourself from that. Distance yourself from that. Distance yourself from that. Just distance yourself. Instead of saying that these guys are not committing anything, had it been that all of them had one voice and said that they are not committing anything, that people that are committing a crime is this, even if there's anyone that misbehaves, just like every army, you must have people that will misbehave. Is it not Nigerian army? Sometimes we put trigger and buy innocent people. We have seen some news like that in different places. Nigerian army sometimes we show their those happy triggered army or police. They'll do something that when you look at it, you say, this is an act of terrorism. But ESN and Biafran Liberation Army, having people that misbehave like that or do something that is wrong, you don't label that on the entire group. Why they're labeling it on the entire group is because they want to drag the leader. Now, had it been that IPOB DOS that are smart, they wouldn't have profiled anything against BLA or someone else. Why they did it? Because they are ignorant of what they're doing. Maybe if I just understand this, because the agenda of maybe his own assignment is to label everybody bad and get away with it and all that. Now, that mistake that DOS did is the reason why people are actually attacking them now. People are attacking them because they after dragging that to labeling that to Mas Namadokan, next people will follow is actually DOS. Then they will follow. When it comes to PM, they also tag the same thing to PM. Why they are doing that? Because they want to use everything to connect it to all of you. But had it been that all of them come together and said, this is what we are not what they are calling us, even though we are not the group of PM Samanepa, we are on our own, we are not doing this. We Igbo youth, this is what we are, this is what we stand for, and all that, despite those differences. And let me tell you what Northerners are doing. Remember that people that we call terrorists today, they see them as the army. Boko Haram, ISWAP, bandit, they see those ones as their army. To you, they are bandits. To them, it's their brothers. That even Nigerian army is telling you that those people from the north are telling you that. Have you seen any Buku member making video to condemning ISWAP? I'm not trying to tell you that different division army should be categorized like those ones. No. But I'm telling you that in northern region, they see people that you are afraid of as their brother and their son. One of the reasons why people don't know that one of the reasons why Northern has turned against Jonathan was that Jonathan using the Ejirika, and I think Ejirika, right? Jonathan was dealing with them. bombarding their hideout, and he was tough on them. What did Northern said? That they are buying our youth. And that the best thing to remove is government that is buying our youth. They know they have the capacity. And they get it done. Lured the Yoruba people to support, to join, and they succeeded. If you are in DOS or any group at all, the worst thing that will happen to you is when you devote your time to organize another Biafran agitator. Despite your differences, I'm not saying you should not have issue. Internal problem is different and problem outside the world. The number one problem of IPO Biafran agitators, all the group, their number one problem is that they don't know when this problem is internal and the other one is for outside. They don't know. They will on their camera to bring the other one down, thinking that will help you to grow. They believe. You forgot that people that we are talking to, they actually monitor. They know. You don't need to explain anything to them. They know. They're following everything going on. They watch everything. They see it. They watch it because they want to make sure that their next move is not going to be a problem. So anybody like what Nick is doing now, you think that people that are doing this will not see DOS Chinas as a good people. The moment you begin to label anybody, what we're actually saying is that any group that will come later will still carry on that name that you help them to give out. The same thing. And it did not start from Biafra agitators alone, but people that are supposed to stop it are Biafra agitators. Southeast governors gather themselves and beg the federal government to profile IPOB as a terrorist group. I have the video. If that, I will play it here. I have the video. What they said, if the video is in public, I'm not telling that the video is a secret video, but they are the one that profiled IPOB as a terrorist group. But the question is, they did it for what? For their political career, not for the region, not for the people of the eastern part. For their personal political career, nothing more. Nothing more. Is there anything that we start to gain from that? The answer is no, nothing. Apart from them, the governors. And guess what? Most of the governors that did this are no longer governors today. But then part of what they did is holding our region down. Okay, for the calculation, they found some. I said, my and I don't buy the idea that no, we still have a flow. We call a woman that is very, very, very stupid. We have it. I don't believe that everybody that don't know anything have a different blood. No. But what must you do to be part of those that actually sound in mind? The easiest way to do that is to support anything truth and avoid this short-term gain. Within 4 years as a governor, he take a policy guy, he take Igbo back, like it will take Igbo 20 years to connect back, because you want your 4 years governor as a governor to give you what? That is a very dangerous mistake. So look at Ike Guru. Do you know that what people that have been in prison now that are buying because you want to be a politician? He said he has this ambition to be a politician or to be a politician. That is why, and to amend his ways, bo point and care. Can anybody must? Go with the energy and am I here to stop him? No, it's up to him. It's up to him. Let's get to give a
Terrorist squad lead by Ngozi Alabeze also. And Operation Udo Gachi, lead by Saludo, and terrorist Kedindo Akabanko. Every squad on Ngozi. With your own terrorist squad. Command with your children. Umugi, the watch. Umugi, the Morgan traffic. Emegom investigation about you. Well, mara that no money name moro. Hanchani na wu criminal na Igbo.
Some people will believe it. No, it's okay. Despite this woman's stupidity, I don't know her children. Man, may for who I don't know. But based on her own, track record, Lazuba, you can't hold on to that, right? Despite what this woman is doing, say the truth and hands up. Some battle is meant for God to fight you. Just table it to God and forget the other one. Some you don't need to wait for God. God has already given you what it takes to fight for a battle. So and and there's a wife who not go buy verses. Aries code. Okay, let's continue. Adafulani, you okay, the flower, this one in the cassava farm. River Goddess, message again. You get as a view. Now I just a look. I know too no sha. Let's continue. The Dongozi has pregnated you with undeliverable pregnancy. Okay. That is from River Goddess. Here last week again.
Hanchani no terrorist squad na Igbo. Onya ki je protect ifa. Onya ki je make cause of us here happy ego. Because if you
wife, thank you so much. Thank you. You know, I forgot to appreciate you for your super chat. God bless you, sir.
Criminal children, emo. Rubbish more than their picture of your children. Ma social media. People mala the criminal terrorist children. Nekachimezemolo. Hanchani na ebebe na Igbo. Hanchani na ebuocho na Igbo. Hanchani na organ traffic na Igbo. Onye ka Nneka Chimeze ji si Lagos nazi ani Igbo muru nze mmụọ ọzọ nọrọzi ala. Nwanyị eme nne na-egbu nwa na-egbu. Ọwụrụ nke shu.
Echere na duma na Abuja ka ọ nọ bezgo na Igbo. Echere na Abuja ka ọ na-asị I don't know.
No promoter gụrụ egwu sị na nne na-agba akwụna ọhụrụ na nne na-agba akwụna na nwa ya na-agba nke ahụ Nneka Chimezie na-egbu ụmụ ya na-egbu maka onye na-ekwusi anụrụ m nke Onowu Igbo na-asị ya na onwekwere di achọrọ m ịgbagodu break mgbe m aba na nke Onowu Igbo ọ na-ekwu ya na-amezi ihe analysis because ife nọ na ya. So because I don't see the reason why, or because of that that reason can Nneka Chimezie eji wefu even the Fulani terrorists in Ebu na Igbo. Because of that can Nneka Chimezie jiwe quiz when you eri Nneka Chimezie anahafu abomination. Nneka Chimezie anahafu terrorism. Nneka Chimezie anahafu atrocities. Ndị Fulani na committee na Igbo. All the complain ndị mmadụ na-enye na Igbo muru nze mmụọ ọzọ. Nneka Chimezie adị afụ ya. No, Nneka Chimezie adị afụ ya. Let us listen ka anyị gekwuo ka anyị genya ntị ka ọ tacha ya waja.
Go well established that Iran were their presence here in Nigeria. And they have collaborated with Nigerian government. Let's not deceive ourselves. Nigerian government and the military have been fingered multiple times. Now, insecurity. Now, insecurity and north, and south east, but they won't take the plan. It was well planned. Ono mana go one kwuru na owo na ya mana enwe ndị Igbo ya ga-azụta nụ ya jidere west ego ejawa into civil war. Ana m eche na mgbe ha butere the agenda of
vigilance. That ife go one kwuru ka Nneka Chimezie na Chibuzo egwu atọ slave na Nnewi and nke a na-akpọ Udene onya ka fa na-emele go one. That agenda go one ka Nneka Chimezie na ala ego if you are going to jeep.
If they say for the organization all the exempted you or what colleague fan chabot the same. Because there's no way you'll be saying the same thing they're saying and they want us to believe that you are different from them. That's my point. How can it be possible? How can it be possible, my people? You want to tell me that you are different from them? How? You are not. Or if so if you like, try your best. Try your best, but you can't deceive people. You can't deceive people. Hear him.
Christmas. Nneka Chimezie nwere moto. Ebe a na-akọ na moto we mee program before. Mana nileze ya this few weeks akita ọ na-anọzi na moto ye wele de ọ na-anọzi gba moto because ogogo moto ego na-abata. Ọba na ụmụ Igbo ka Nneka Chimezie na ụmụ ya ji eri ichi onwe fa. Ị na-egbu ndị Igbo ka efinish efa. Onye ka Nneka Chimezie ga-eji wepụta na social media. Ọ na-ata aja na-akụ ibe ekwesịghị aka. Achọrọ m ịma how many months ka this thing dey last. Ọ kpọgidego awadida maazị Nnamdi Kanu.
Ọ batara social media ọ na-akọ ife na-ekwesịghị ịkọ. So ịmacha dị nke na-ekwesịrị ịkọ na nke kwesịrị ịkọ. So ịmacha.
Kpọgide awadida. Ọ kpọta ha awadida. Ọfụ na ọ dị very small ịkwatu awadida. Who is Nneka Chimezie? Ịkwatu maazị Nnamdi Kanu, maazị Nnamdi Okwu Kanu. The leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Who is Nneka? Ebe ko gbari mgbọrọgwụ. Because no money no more the useless. Ya ko ji chi useless ụmụ ndị ọzọ. But agwa m Nneka Chimezie it can never happen. Owula anyị nwa ụmụ Igbo so ụmụ guzuwe oshi.
Ụmụ nke gị wakwa na nke Nneka Chimezie wise pineapple. Honestly, I'm not going to choose. I'm just being real. Because the third thing in our wafa, na fa ke gwa mama fa. Kai neba na gwa ke no maga ke gwa gwa. If you went to go na you gwa ke no at the same team. Come on, your own, you are actually more deadly. Why in kapata don't care to look we no ka ya man do so na support. Go and give claim on the day if you face the notion. Man no gwa na do se fi fe gives oshi. So I came out na only fe teaching again afa. No ere na nketa ga gole we na ife tuku ka na eme.
Owuro anyị nwa ụmụ Igbo so n'ugwu bụ ọchụ. Awụla anyị nwa ụmụ Igbo so n'ụmụ gị wulu buku hala mu terrorist. Awụla anyị nwa safa. No ife rubbish iwu ka ịzụrụ ụmụ gị because na asị no ife nne nwere n'ụwa ka ọ na-enye nwa. Yes. Nneka Chimezie ọnya nwa iwe gị. Ịmụrụ ụmụ gị niile n'ala n'iyi. Onwe nke họla ọbancha niile ho chichichichara họkpa why. Your husband na ọ bụ na ị nwere di. Who slave na ọnwụ na igbube di gị because na ama no awọchi ụmụ nwaanyị niile ahụ esi na ewu woman leader. Ịmanụ ụmụ nwaanyị niile ahụ na-achị pancha niile egbucha na difa onwere nke ba na dibe no because na anya the kind of heart inwelu were marazie the kind of ụmụ nwaanyị na-achị ụdị obi ba ya enwe ịma that no obi kpomkpochafụ.
Please, if you have not liked this video, we have only 97 people that have liked the video. I just want to call your attention to that. If you are watching, let me let me just assume that you did not remember. Please hit like button. Hit like button if you have not done that. Please, it's very important that you like the video, and of course, that is the best way to support us. That is free.
Onye kiji nwe shame upon your age. Keke na aza Madam Punk. Na akpọrọ Madam Punk. Ị na-ahụ aka n'ike na-esi n'imi utu ụmụ chiwa what the god of sell out. Ụmụ rubbish n'obodo ibe nwere nke nwere akwụkwọ, enwere nke nwere document. Ụfọdụ nwaanyị na-enyefa nni, ụfọdụ enwere aka ọrụ, ụfọdụ atụ the one through dues araba atụ. Ọndụ ga-aba na ahụ aka n'ike na-esi n'imi. na ya cha no butter ya kwom big
Yes,
ana asị ka ndị mmadụ na-apụta onye na-ekwu okwu asị na ọchị ka nne Kachimezie.
Yes, the number just jump up now. I noticed that immediately. Thank you.
Kachimezie after asị na nwanyị a useless woman like you. Oh, that they would true. In fact, Lolo, as you call yourself, we know Lolo na ni bomuruze mwozo. Ebo if na Lolo, we bane one young name Lolo. If he am we wait we me Lolo. Ebo na Lolo no we don't know be Lolo. It must be Lolo. Lolo one you don't didn't
Lola de wobi. It's a miss number neighbor that Jan. Lola de wobi mba. Lola de wobi.
Jesu ezuku no kosara ya ntafa lolo ndu nyawo obodo na village ona umunno na nwere lolo bana be lola mmade ade akoya 24 hours ade nwu nwai and the lola na
okay, like I said, this video is about 5 hours. Let me see how many hours. Yeah, 5 hours, almost 6 hours. 5 hours for something seconds. 5 hours for something minutes. So we have just played only 30 minutes. Okay, man. If you see why I so I have to drag it to 45 minutes. Okay.
maybe see if I damage many things. Security or gidi kulu gidi ba. How much I have your bossy now? Then they enter there. No, so I'm a get on kulu nege. Nte. Ebedi sumu anona yara.
Now,
Come to each way conclude different na won. Ana ungozo la beze na ekwu okwu. Ana ma asị unu. Na na-ege ibe ngozo la beze na ekwu. Use unu brain on. Onye ọnwụ na mụrụ anya n'ife ọnwụ na ha na-ekwu n'ọnụ. Because na ndị mbụ na ndị egede na-atụnye itefa. Ha dị ama mgbe ba ji asa asịsa. Ha dị ama mgbe ba ji ekwu eziokwu. No you use your brain. Ịmara the game. Achọrọ nke unu gee ntị. This woman, this terrorist mother, nne Kachimezie mụrụ ụmụ rubbish. Ruo na ana Igbo egbu anaghị egbuchasị ụmụ Igbo. Ya na ụmụ ya na na-ege ntị.
ọnụ mana anyị akla na-akọ asị dịka Igbo. Asara iwe onye mbụ federal gọọmenti contractor na South East. Then Simon Ekpa ụzọ onye nke nọ n'obodo oyibo ọ na-ekwu asarị na ndị otu ya na ozie n'ụlọ na carry out the instruction. I am my head the rest was the history. Biko achọrọ m ka onye ọbụla na-ege m ntị nkwucha okwu enwere video Ngozi Orabueze m ga-play. Another incitement and that's on Igbo niile chọwa ha kịta tupu ha abata. And then nwere ihe ọzọ m chọrọ bring to the notice of ndị Igbo. Ihe ahụ wụ na I'm chọpụta na the whole confusion na-aga around na East wụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka o si na ha pụta ọ na-agba okirikiri. And ọ ya wụ ihe m na-eti mkpu na-agwa Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka ọ kụnye ọka ọ nwere na-achọ ihe na-egbusa anyị niile ndị otu ya amali ọwụla na-akparị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Mana anyị agaghị adị intimidated.
Let me tell you something. Nne Kachimezie, the same challenge. Nyele Ngozi Orabueze, the same challenge ahụ ka na-enye gị. Unu wa wo nende. Unu wa terrorist life from the beginning. Anyu wa wonder hard intimidate. Na terrorism gonna your family. And the China Sanwodu dog of sellout. We can never be intimidated. If you think Unu Yemengundi Igbo intimidate, it's not possible. Igbo Ndi Igbo stand go strong. And the kwechiri si ike. And an even na agwa Nne Kachimezie Chineke kpọrọ gị ọkụ ana ndị Igbo ya abịa jeji abịa aja wee bịa kpọchaa gị anya maka na iwu onye arụrụ anị unu ayaghị ekwe unu wone nde unu dalụ unu ya ada unu ya continue na ada. Nne Kachimezie nụrụ ibe ngwara gị sọnsọ aja ka ihe na-ata all the time. That I can assure you. Okay. You can't do more than
the
a
link
dead
is out. For those of you, if you want to add
anything,
just jump.
Achọrọ nkunu na-ege disi nwaanyị a ntị. Ka ọ na-ama ebe disi woman si apụta. A woman who terrorist, Bozela in Uno. Yana family, yan home rubbish, Shomro, they terrorize Adibo, they put us in the mind. Oya koye ju wep tana call this rubbish on a come here has a michiono. Because he na nyas na nwa na nehu na ba umu ya ne anya no. Iya bu ne ka chibeze mo na ze umu azu omuru ne ba ya ado. Na get because so no mu ya the decent. No mu tara mwa awu criminals come to do and terrorize ndi Igbo. Adromu sure that no mu ya ye may allow on a speak against our leader Mazen na kan emehienke. This woman is not a member of IPOB. This woman now, leader Mazen na can never one day spoke one-on-one. This woman is not in a Biafran struggle. This criminal General Abalamono Bemfune Kachimezie na court. Even while that na this woman called Nekachimezie. Nando dog of DOS to use this woman when you are the master na kind of poison. Or if you could die day. By then, this woman they want to be haka oji now.
All right. We're gonna end it from here. Let's hear from who was here? Okay. So I think you join us and you check out. Okay, Ocean Master, let's hear from you. There we go.
No. Mazikai, I greet you.
I greet you.
Yes, okay, Melody from one and from Fanafe Winter Kafana Driver. Asim na Fanafe Winter Kaha on our family Winter Kava in a Nyaka Gunyefa.
What else I pass and get class one now?
Yes, sir. Go ahead. So, I greet you, my people, dear friends. I greet you, our brothers and sisters on the comment sections. You are all doing wonderful. Well, greetings to you, listeners, dear friends all over the world. Mazikai, thank you for this wonderful program.
Yeah.
And I will start by saying that Lasuba, na wine sipe naipo as you name her, who called herself Lolo Neka. And thank God that you refresh my mind today that Ndana Lolo maka echeta pros myself bu onye obuna na akpọ Lolo bu nwunye Igwe Ezenigwe or maybe Onowu nke na-esote Igwe. Mana nwaanyị nke a nwaanyị isi ala jọrọ njọ dị njọ obi jọọ njọ arụ bịa chiwere oke afa na egbu nwa nkịta. But I want to thank you the way you joined her, or the way, let me say, the way they joined themselves. Akwụ onwe ihe ndị Igbo na-akpọ akwụchala acha akwụ kpọrọ nkụ na ikwe mkpọmkpọ. Ama m ị ga-agọta dị okwu Igbo Maazị Kai. Akwụ kpọrọ nkụ ya awụ na ịma akwụ a na-asụ asụ mgbe efu ọ na-aga negide akwụ akpọ nkụ, that is ọdịzi aka akụ ka ebe a etinye ya taa akụ were emere akụ. Then ya na ikwe mkpọmkpọ na ikwe uche ikwe nwezighị eji eme. So it's the same thing that is playing out in between nwaanyị isi ọcha onye ala na France and
it's not why you make it. Oh, if you describe get that. It's not why you make it.
O nwere ihe ndị Igbo na-akpọ akwụ kpọrọ nkụ na ikwe mkpọmkpọ. Na o nwere ka ihe esi akwụ obitu egbu akwụ na ọ bụrụ na dị akwụ ọ gbasara na anwụ mechaa kpọọ nkụ. Ịma o nwere ndị na-eme otu a nwere ndị na-aga menye ọ kpọfezie nkụ ofe onwe ọdịzi ka asị na enwere ihe eji eme, then compare ya na ikwe mkpọmkpọ achọrọ iji wee sụ ya ịghọtago na mkpọmkpọ. So this is the way, the adjective I will use for these two people here. I mean nwaanyị isipente na France onye ala isipente na France na onye ala isipa na ipo na bongo Just imagine this animal lie in human form and my banner onye ọzọ ọ sị nọ akwụna ka ọ gị na ma ọ go echeta na ihe ọkpọrọ ebe ọ nwere ka ọkpọrọ ihe dị ka akwụna or co and something like that. You think is ebe this kind of a woman na another woman or the afa. Now when I the same type of people. Now I want to leave it as at that. Now coming to the issue of this neck and nwaanyị a na-asị ya na anya wepụ ọnụ ya compares na Maazị Simon Ekpa and Dr. Nkuzi Orebeze na link na together. Okay. Now bringing it to ihe that neck na-eme, the neck is something that I feel concerning what she is doing. She said that na Dr. Ngozi Orebeze organize akwago ọnọdụ organize akwago ndị nwana kwenye etu esi wee kwue as in ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo. Now, what does that mean? And what signal? How is that woman? How is she analyzing Biafran journey? What is she tagging Biafran journey? Especially at this point in time, that there are some processes ongoing concerning Biafra recognitions, concerning the appeals of our leaders. What is she trying to insinuate? I think we should be caution and look critical in her messages. Now, Mazikai, there's some program that you did. I think Elena did that as well with the other media team, where some of the governors in Biafra land was taken by the terrorist state, forcefully taking them out. Some of the people working, a girl genuinely doing her genuine job at Tommy was taken. Many genuine Biafrans was taken from their homes, from streets, accusing them of what they knew nothing about. Now, check it with
I know the program you're talking about. I know the program you're talking about, so I'm
good. Okay, good. Now, link it with what this one is just connect go to something from her messages. Is it that this woman is it that that is the word that Triple M used the other time? I think super agent. Is it that she's truly doing something like that? Because if you look at the mode or the method of her message and what is happening, just what left for this woman is to come out openly and pronounce some words. So we should be mindful. We should not undermine the messages she's passing out. And if there is a way, I will still call that this woman must have to call to order. Some time ago, she said that people are calling her, people have called her out so many times. People are, whether she said they warn her or they threaten her. She should be advised on a very strong term because she's talking, boasting about her talking. Yes, we know. For me, I'm convinced that and we're hearing one's for sure. Apart from what DOS is, maybe Kari White is trying to do with other people, she knew much about the Zoo government or those who are persecuting Biafrans. So we should do something to advise, in fact, she has to stop what she's doing wrongly by accusing Biafrans. Then one researcher on her own continue to na social media all the time, calling names the way she's doing. We know that in due course, a lot of things will take place. The law will take its course on her own case because on France when the government of the United States of Biafra will not allow her to distract because her mission is to distract the United States of Biafra so that she will boast with that she have done this, she have done that. Here she said that onye connect Ngozi with Dr. Ngozi with our PM, but our PM have told her that she should stay where she is. She should go back on her last visit to Finland. That she should go back and stay where she is, and never to mention names again. But if on social media, we will keep on helping her. We will do justice. Thank you, Mazika. Let me allow other people to talk while I wait to talk back again.
Thank you so much. It's good to manage the time, my brother. Thank you. God bless you for your time and your contribution. Triple M.
All right, thank you so much, my brother Kai Report.
Do you mind to give River God a chance?
Oh, sure. That's cool.
Thank you. God bless you. River God, let's hear from you.
Thank you, my dear. God bless all of us. Triple M, I greet you. I greet all the commenters, and I greet everybody in the house. Mazakai, thank you for the privilege.
Wada River Goddess, the Obi-Wan's River Goddess. Because then we can see my River Goddess. Now,
if you go my River Goddess.
Mama, you won't get it. We don't want to get out.
My darling, what you want?
Jesus.
My family, you guys are wonderful. Okay, when if MG without you guys, you are such a wonderful family. That's where I like to be all the time. Wonderful family. Yeah, contained in notorious painted. Notorious painted.
Hey,
where is such a dress? Eji m adres
echekwa drọs ihe eji wee dres kwu ya maka
ịnụkwa ọsọsọ a na-eme anarize a ga-anarize ya nana eyi one thing about Lasuba, I want to dress you. In this video you have done, you just explain yourself. And karma is a bitch because karma is real. And karma is after you. Everything you said about Adakaboro, you are just the same. You taught Adakaboro what she is doing. Adakaboro wore the shoe for Raya. Why did I say that? It's in Adakaboro. Na a na-akpọ ya nwaanyị isi punk. A na-akpọ isi nwaanyị isi punk for what? No chọ ka a na-akpọ ya afa ya. Really? Did I hear you say that? What is your name? Are you being called by your name? No. You choose a name that you feel you like, that nobody will identify you with your real name. Nwanne, hey, na onye si n'imi nkịta dị mma ebe nye ya ọ ga-ata. So that one aside, isi na Nneka na ọ bụ akwụna ka ọ bụ ma ụmụ akwụna. I want to say somebody came on internet, said that you were disflowered on a cassava farm na Mbụbọ ka atụrụ gị ime nwa gị nke mbụ at the age of 15 years, and that is an illegitimate children. You did not come to debunk it. And the lady said, because it's from the same place with you, that you, duka by the security men. That was when you took off by leg, by road, by sea, by land, and you landed yourself in South or Sudan. And this name that was called Lasuba, you did not come to debunk it. Why do you want other people to debunk stuff while you have not, meaning that they are all true about you? You now laid an accusation either to Nneka Chimeze, I did not hear that very well, or either to Dr. Ngozi Oradeze, Oburudie, Amamonye nke isi no ya nwa burudie, amakwara m onwere di. When it comes to how is your own matrimonial home? Are you living with a man? Do you have covering over your life or over your head? So were you divorced? So you killed yours too. And you want to shun everybody like your Kelenna, oh, give me program on atoto. That is manipulation. That maybe you want to keep everybody under bay. You want to keep everybody under your, under your foot or under your command or under your authority. I can understand. So all these things you have come to say about Adakaboro, what is the difference? You said Adakaboro parermazi Nnamdi Kanu. What of you? Didn't you insult Nnamdi Kanu? Simon Ekpa. You said Adakaboro is happy na Mazi nọ n'ime. When Simon was taken, what did you do? You came and danced in your platform while everybody was gloomy, everybody was sober, everybody was crying. And you wore a white dress, raising your hand like the South African victory ship dance. And you are now accusing Nneka Adakaboro that ọ na-akparị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. But you forgot na esi na Simon Ekpa na ị ga-ewepụta ndọmeri ya ịgba ya n'anwụ gwa ife na anaghị agwa. You even say Simon Ekpa, go to your God, go look for your God. Your God has departed from you. Your God has abandoned you. It's in the social media. And one thing about you, you are always in a hurry. Because you say address. That's why I am just like addressing you with what I know that is on the social media. You understand? Okay, now abatana nke when something is out, you don't even give it a thought. You don't even wait. You always want to be the number one and be address. Then I want to now ask you a question. This lady came out, Achalugo, came out and, off her burden. Ife ahụ o metere nọ ya n'obi na anyịgbu ya, o kwezi ya odidi, something was after her. Ya ọbịa ka ọ gbaa isi onwe ya to apologize when you people have destroyed something and you are still on it. Ife ahụ Achalugo na-eme a na-etiri ya mkpu ọ sị na ọmahụ for 5 good years now nke ọ maara onye agwọgburu ka agbara. Then Achalugo now made an apology. You did not even wait 24 hours or even 12 hours. She made that. You now ran because you are looking for somebody, or you are looking for a group of people, or you're looking for some sort of sagalistic propagandist. And I don't know, you want to come and saga USB declared and to saga Ngozi Oradeze. And it didn't work out for you. You now attack. Did you attack Achalugo or you? And you say, Achalugo, I will not have problem again. I will not attack you again. One time. And then the same thing, you invited Obi-Nwanne again. These are people causing nuisance. And you did not get what you were looking for from Obi-Nwanne. Obi-Nwanne maybe did not give you what you wanted. That was almost 3 weeks ago. You have invited Obi-Nwanne before.
You invited him again. He says that yeah, invite us. Tomorrow you will go back and invite him again. All of you are the same blind people moving round about in a pit, in a hole. The same thing when Ugo 247 did his own. We see as one name, Biana platform, Biana, I invite you. You keep inviting. The same you say you want to Madubugu. Or Chacha, Achalugo, behaves again happen, no Madubugu. Still Madubugu in everything. How many years? Come to confess, say. Can you imagine after how many years? The same thing this Adakaburo now, Senasa parega, Asanamu parega, Mazanamu de Kano, Man parega man namu de Kama, Wagadio, Quenya de Gay Wagadio, or win him or whooping him also, as a was. That is all you people know. Be ashamed of yourself. One. Now I want to ask, where is the remaining Jews? For how many months now remaining Jews disappear? Remaining Jews, because that is remaining Jews, you just hid yourself. You just disappeared. The only solution for you people is to retrieve back, to go back to the hand of time and see if you can turn it back. The only savior is United States of Biafra, declared no leave, no transfer. Kama gana unu. Anya ekwechirigo bụ na anya ekwechirigo, no going back. That's all I want to say. So before you name anything, we are sick and tired of you. We know your gimmicks, we know your plan, and you have your last shot. You don't have any shot again. This is not in the Nigeria address. So watch and see the deliverance of the Lord. That's the only word we need to do again. If Ngozi Arabeze, you have not pulled her down by now. Happy akayana chiekpe ife ọ bịara maka na ọchụ nwa ọkụkọ nwa ada nwa ngwele nwe ọsọ. And Ngozi has pregnanted you people. Ọtụwago na ime amụ amụ. And unu enweghị anya ime mmụọ. Unu achọghị ime understand. Why calling this woman? Why giving this woman all this name? Chidi nwanyị amụ sị, the name you are calling Simon is not affecting him. Mama m ka o si wee kwuo ya. Onweghị ihe ọbụla ọ na-eme. You're supposed to know that all this name, you people, all this your plan is not working. We know what we want. I drop my mic. Thank you very much. Mazekai.
Thank you so much. Thank you, River Goddess. God bless you. And that's a wonderful submission. I really appreciate you. I'm Udonachi.
I am strong. Udonachi, my dear brother. Anyhow, where they come, God will give us grace. So start picking say mama no go sleep. Sleep no go day. Unless in sleep, mama go sleep.
That's so. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, Triple M, let's hear from you. Please, our brother Ocean Master, I'm gonna bring you in because the room we can only manage 6 people. We have not carded this StreamYard, so it's giving us a very big problem. All right.
Okay. Can drop, Paddy?
Yeah, just stay where you are. It's okay. It's okay. You are back.
Okay.
Triple M, let's hear from you. Triple M is again. Okay, Venus. Okay. Egedeson, let's hear from other Triple on another room. For the first time, about another room. I'm going to be number. Egedeson, let's hear from you. Am I being heard? Is it from my side or what?
Yeah, no, your voice is out. Your voice is out. Hearing you very well.
Master Greg, you are welcome. Please unmute your mic, sir. Master Greg. Okay, Triple M is back.
Network just yanked me out. Network yanked me out. Is Greg around? Let him handle the mic. In the next 5 minutes, I'll be back.
Okay, it's okay. You're welcome. Evangelist Louis. I'll mute your mic. Master Louis, are you there? Our brother Favor, are you there? Okay, so Ocean Master, make your final submission. Let me wind down. I will be right back later.
No, Mazikai.
That
is a wonderful thing, yeah. My people, dear friends, I believe that we will not allow the destruction of these funny people, these greedy people, like this one Isiocha and the one Pineapple, with their for this four back and group that they have grouped themselves, because what they are, what they are standing on distraction. In fact, their objective is just distract, interrupt, and if possible for them to destroy, but it will never be possible for them. So yes, we will not allow them to distract us in any manner. We have to focus while dressing them. We move forward, on what you are doing, because our eyes is always on the ball, and that is what it should be.
Exactly.
While the government of United States of Biafra is doing what they know best to do, bringing the awareness of Biafra recognition to the limelight of the world, defending our people at homeland, doing their best to releasing those who the zoo government have held or held captives, and doing other things that is confidential.
Yeah,
we must have to give them the maximum support. Leaving out those who are trying to, portray them in a very bad light. We know the truth, because now, that's
all.
The one good thing about the government of the United States of Biafra is that ingredient in the onye ọbụla na-afụ ya fụ na ọ bụrụ nke na-asa afọ fụ na a na-etinye accordingly. Ihe anyị gbana aka ejigbo enye ọkwa a na-eweta na-enye ndị mmadụ a na-etest. If not, how is it that people have been Biafran ID card have been accepted and people have used it? It has been a means that was used or is using to free our people, giving them their residence in their country of host, using it as a means of identification. What a wonderful job. If not, on this your platform, Mazi Kai, also, somebody cried out that he wished that the United States of Biafra ID card have come out before he left the part of Asian country that he was, because of lack of document. That the ID card would have been the savior of him. So it is the ingredient that the Biafra government is cooking with, and we are seeing it. That is part of it. And I listened to the PM last Saturday or so, or her ex-handler, saying that very soon Biafra passport will follow suit. What a wonderful one. Biafrans, we must have to do our best, come to the aid, to the support of the government. There is a critical, I will call it critical issue of my own, or a very important moment for us. we knew that the days ahead is very close to, for those that are punishing Biafrans, those that are constituting injustice against us. The time is getting close for us to defend ourselves in their court or lay the appeal before them and before the world. So the government needs my support, need your support. When I'm talking about support, I'm talking about financially. About finance. I'm not talking about those who use their mouth, just by their mouth, blowing trumpet of getting lawyer, hiring lawyer, this and that. Is not what I mean. I am talking pure on United States of Biafra, leading by Dr. Ngozi Arabeze, because that is where we are seeing the doing, not even the talking, but the doing. We listened to Dr. Matanga the other time say that government of USB gave him an assignment, and he have delivered the assignment, and they continue to do. Did you hear the government? Did you hear the Dr. Ngozi Arabeze blow it? That message has been long. Dr. Matanga is working with the United States of Biafra to free Mazi Simon Ekpa and extend the hand to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In fact, the appeal of Dr. Matanga to the European Court was the thing that stopped Finland and Britain not to extradite Mazi Simon Ekpa or France as they wish to do. But you didn't hear it. You didn't hear government or the cabinet of United States of Biafra talking here and there. Just imagine if that would have come from those who call themselves group, other camp of fallback, CRC, CNBC, Kineko, whatever they call their name. So that is why I say that the government of United States of Biafra, leading by Dr. Ngozi Arabeze, they are doing the doings without talking. So they need my support, your support, and every other person's support for us to get what we want. We are seeing the regulations going on, because today the Congress, United States of American Congress, are talking about Biafra. United States of Biafra are doing it without talking. Not to call those who gallivant or Nuku Flower in Washington, D.C. I'm not talking about them. So you can imagine, if you know where the work is, put your money there. Let us get our leaders out. Let us get our regulations. Let the process of the passport, come to the limelight. Let those who have been held on bondage in a homeland be free as well, because sometimes some of them, most of this issue need money. Just like in the state where some of us come from. Last time I'm aware that some of the states need some ejema to help in what they are doing. So come up and support and get your ID card as a citizen of Biafra, because it helps you, it helps everybody, it helps our liberation. Very, very important. On that note, Mazikai, I appreciate you for this wonderful program today, and we hope maybe you still come back before the day, because I am an idea to we have passed and not in the two. You got to go.
And then
So thank you very
was your master, my man. And then thank you so much. Triple M, let's hear from you, because I'm running quite.
All right, thank you, because of your time. Aburu na imese ineme na nzuzo ineche no onye nwụrụ gị. Aburu na mahụghị gị, Chineke na na-elekwa gị. Ụwa ọzọ aya maga onye bụ onye. Ụwa ọzọ sọ Chukwu mara na onye bụ onye. Greetings to you, Mazikai. Thank you so much. I'm going to program. Though my brother Ocean Master have already, throw more light on that. You can also see my comment on that program, right?
The first
our
one,
people,
right?
yes.
Yeah.
You know, our people. I greet my people that have already in their view. May the Chukwuka Abiyama continue to give us the strength and courage to continue to push. My people at the comment section, because of time. You know,
Triple M.
Igedeson, my brother. Igedeson, listen, there is something you need to understand, Mazekai. You see, like our brother, we will always say, that our brother, Akonye Wetaro, Akonye Wetaro will always say, define the freedom by yourself. You see, the problem if you go, number one, when you hear Zoo government arresting this person, Masekai, who are those reporting these people? Or when anything that warrant the zoo to come and arrest them, or kwa me and you, or kwa ayaye. We be in community. I ain't China ESO USB. All of a sudden, give me here the like in case you have no be more here on Monday in an aroro. Yeah, or jobo government at chopota buy a boot. Nga government buy a boot. Yeah, guys, then Ghana zoo government ego. Jizia hebe umunne ya nozi. Eji toothpick follow her. Aneku or they call or rocket science or magic. The reason why I didn't about Jaguar because I can on an SI. I am the manager our land because one day Hannah Babu onya chopped up that kind of agua. One day I want ya ganuli be ya won't go to ganga ya ganga. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, exactly where I'm coming from.
Yeah.
Now bring it down to all this thing now. La Soba now is playing the same role DOS played. I know it won't be a surprise to me because La Soba wants, supporting DOS. Mecha say, yeah, Lotas moves in a crowd Sunday PM. Lotas say, Simon, Epotara, Sai Sorogi, Ayesorogi, or Mother didn't know to Simon. She doesn't know. Because you will not wrong all Gamebo question. Now look at it, look at it this way. DOS Birana PM, all man of names. Don't associate PM with our leader Mazdan Kano. Man, the people Hana may hear Martina, Mazdan Kano, the same position ka PM no. They now use them to demoralize our PM. A wepoga our PM. Hana may hear Mamma Mazdan Kano na PM who different person, different individuals, but not with the same goal kahanacho, but the useless ones now man here for GMVness now fight our PM. At the end of the day, a weapon our PM. But as you can gazi, TPS our leader Mazdan Kano. Now bring it down now. La Subanano na kwaka akro man ishi pineapple aka. Now we make ongozo rabeze de menka. Why ishi pineapple? Makwana Ngozo Rabeze, Dr. Ngozo Rabeze Naro, with the same picture, PM, G Mans Namekano, Jika, Wukayaka, our DPM today. Yeah, to one colleague our DPM to our PM. Anuma Nasia wo Ishiakube, La Suba. PM, separate that PM from this. Look, imagine how foolish these people are.
Why is he pineapple mad at na mass American on a attack? Simon on a attack and DPM na family. Yeah, this is just
they are the people doing the needful.
Oh man, last but not choke obey point and kill. It's a
the same thing now. Last but not we hear the DOS money. Doing some of our leader Mazdan.
Why can't they do the same thing? What if it?
And yet they don't see anything about it. Chineke na something na biko. Our brother Oluchiwan God say thunder na nozikwaru. God, I'm God of thunder. They have created the Biafran land that makes all these things no longer working. Hey, Chineke na mere mmadụ ebere. But my happiness today is that where we are, one day, nobody can bring us down. We have crossed. Even when our leader Master we are saying that we have crossed the Rubicon. One day, that time I had to go by I had to go by the Rubicon. Now, our PM could go in at the Rubicon. Our DPM so whatever thing they do now, it's just for saying sake. They can talk all they care. Ayalawala. Imagine this woman now say one ship and apple. In language here, or see that now our DPM now a bit again, not or bit incitement. The same thing Ejina Georgie, our brothers. Mazuma here. Our DPM. When you see these people, you think that they are speaking for you. Anybody that come on social media, Ibo, one the same thing with Omuchineke. Hey. They are operating in the same equilibrium. Don't mistake it. Don't mistake it. One day you cannot come in the midst of the zoo. One no was Igbo will not stand under Nigeria. And yet, our people don't want to understand this. And remember, whenever you beckon into this Igbo, one name, I had this at nobody will listen to you.
Don't mind them. Thank you so much, Robert. God bless you. God bless you. I really appreciate your time. And your submission is nice. Thank you. Egedeson, I want me to begin. Okay, Egedeson, go to Mike. Master Greg, if you are here, just let me know.
Okay, good evening, sir.
Good evening to you.
You know, I have something to say, but due to time, I want to drop this song. Please help me and allow this song to reach our DPM. She's the owner of this song. Jesus, even Ade Kampe, even Jehovah, Ade Gidi Bam Gidi Bam Mkporoguji Makano. Mkporoguji me integrity. As integrity woman, anywhere she goes.
Network is messing the song up, my brother.
Every door that she knows, every door has been opened. Mkporoguji me
Network. My brother, can you hear me?
Mkporoguji aka bụkwa ọnụ ebe mkpọrọgwụ Adegidi Bambi.
Network na here so. Anyway, I will send you a voice note. Open the record, I send them on WhatsApp. I will play it. Thank you so much. And Evangelist Lewis, let's hear from you. You're welcome. I'll put your mic. Master Greg, if you come, please, anytime you join us now, I'll put your mic. But after this, we can wind down. Okay, let's hear from you.
Good afternoon, my good people of Biafra.
There was sir.
ndị ihe ọma na-adị mma.
Before you continue, give maka bomboy.
No, onye ọbụla dị oke. Maazị Kai, ka ime.
Chineke nọ n'ọrụ.
Ahụrụ m n'anya unu akwatuola mmiri Jeriko nwaanyị isi ọcha. Unu akwala ya gwogwo. Akwa mmiri ahụ. Okwu na-atọzi ya n'ọnụ, ọ na-awụ ọbaezi online ọkọrọgbada. Ọ maazị ebe ọ ya ebido. Chineke ike gwụrụ. Ebidoro program na-asị nnọọ anyị anaghị gị na-ayozi ya biko ngwa ya bidozie ọkọrọgbago maazị ebe ọ ya ebido.
O chere adịghị ife mmụọ ya na
oke a na-eri onye mmụ anya ọ dịrọ nwaanyị kọrọgbago ya ọkọrọgbada bikos ndị niile ọ na-akpa aha na-eme the same thing na ọ na-eme. Nna ike gburu ka ezi otu onye na-ezu oshi na-akpọkọ mmadụ onye oshi. Nna ya ike gwụrụ asị gị na efoloro m nwaanyị a nnọọ sị mgbe aha ị na-efoli ya a na-eme analyze ihe niile sị ihe na-adịkwa nwaanyị a n'anya. That's the most important thing. Ihere adịghị ya n'anya. Ihere adịghị ya n'anya atọ. Abịakwa n'okwu m ahụ na-adị ekwu mgbe ọbụla nke ka m mkpa na ihe niile a na-eme kịta. Lady security agent, the United States of Biafra security agent, take note. They need much investigation because the investigation have already, you people can report na oze na ụmụnne ya niile ndị wepụtara time ha because ihe niile a na-eme kịta na onye ọbụla wepụtara time ya enwe onye a na-akwụ ụgwọ because mgbe a kpọrọ prime minister everybody dere confused. If you don't want to know that time can delete my Facebook, my Instagram, my first Facebook and Instagram, everything delete your second music because of them all hope have been lost. But I really thank God who bring Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, who make her strong because that time. Do we believe the woman? Everybody was confused. Because in the next we got declare the thing. Catch up when we were name we came back and Mazapa. Because if follow that man, what that time? I'm gonna roar at times I'm gonna roar Jirimaka program. I'm gonna roar Jirimaka program because I buy a machine no office and when him naga no. I'm gonna win Jirimaka program. Moto mad have polite in our office. I want to hear na West for my own time. Sometimes so my cousin sister not too much. Because him and on that gara school we are in Biafra a baby. Undo obla gara school. Uhuni na gara school na Biafra land. 80% have na Biafra abia. I'm a good deal to your end yeah. Because so honey ne wanna I wanna honey ne but ring here okay. Oga di ruwe bo no kita. But I
disagree with you on this one. I belong to grad school. He go no one school at the no day. And other can school one. I'm not going to your cousin in there. This antique oh, we can book one is avoid so English go the ultimate. And if he got whatever now. Or when they believe that now without Nigeria do to get an farmer with the wall, they see that but have to forget that now we have potential leaders of tomorrow in Nigeria. So he could when you know when you don't want to buy a gas, he could go restructuring fast get that number. The father supported restructuring. You know why? Because now once they restructure, tendency of how able govern in our other or does possible. So some of them
I'm going to say him a poop in the grass school na live. Mgbe Maazị Ahụmadike bidoro ihe ndị kacha gbaa ya ọkpa mgbe ọ gara ọ chọrọ ha before gawa na US enwe ha niile ahụ enwe onye believe runu what had they paranoia because an Igbo man, you prove you something before you believe. Ihe mere onye ọbụla ji believe kịta awụ na pon ọhamadi chikwere na onime nga ihe niile ahụ a na-ekwe ya nkwa ya ụka kwechiri onwezi ihe ọzọ fọrọ onye Igbo ọzọ na-ahụzi the train owuzi asị ka ọ na-atụgide onwe ya but that period of time mgbe ọ yọburu ihe a before mgbe ọ gaburu ọ yọrọ ọsọ enyere ya aka naanị ihe onye idiri bụ mmadụ 100 na onye idiri naanị ego ka o wee goro mgbọ na egbe dasọ ka e wee protect ya ndị niile ahụ nọ US 90% ndị Igbo nọ US gara school ọ ya wee ebe m shabịa
ya gee ntị ịbịa kịta na ịbịa na various family ị ga-afụ ndị like some ndị idokpara ma ndị na-abụrụ ndị idokpara ga like even man ọdụdụ nwa self na-aghọta ga like ka ọ bụrụ onye Chineke gozie last born or second or last or even first ị ga-afụ na in some families onye nke ji ego ọ ga-edotukwa na ya care for you na ya care for other people mana the moment another person bịa weta ego karịa ya wa nsogbu adịwa ama what I mean
yes
when they ga-abụkwanụ na family ijide ego ọ bụgwa bụ the breadwinner ndị nke no matter ndị school ego ị na-espe ndị na-azụ nwanne gị na school ọma ndị a ọmakwute na oyizi ndegoro ife ọma until ọ kwatuo oge ka ya bụ na ya ka gị ife na for ya wee kpọga ezigbo mmadụ bụ na the moment ọ tọpụ gị wa financially na-ada gị ọ ga-agị ma a ga-egu na dị egoro ya aka what I'm trying okay just come out okay what I'm trying to say my brother about that now no matter what whatever ọbụla na-aga ị ka ga-afụ ndị ka ma gara school ka ga na-esi ọwụ na achọrọ Biafra na achọrọ because of ife ọ ga-erite onye nwanne ya bụ gọvanọ ikwuto ma nwanne ya bụ sinetọ ọ nwanne ya na-eso gọvanọ n'azụ ikwuto okwu Biafra ọgbọ gasọ ịghọtago because o ife ọ na-erite and onwe ndị na-achọ na-adịghị ike maka other people ife ha na-eche bụ wefu my pocket my family ịghọtago
Maazị Kai lee ihe mere m ji etinye okwu a
ndị na-ekwu nọ na Amerịka na-ekwetara m ife oge nna mmadụ ka na ndị kachakwa donate kwa ego kwa ndị Amerịka at the end of the day ndị kachakwa wee support kwa bụkwa ndị Amerịka ịghọtago so na ofu onye isi mebiri na common sense does not mean na other people ada support more na factual owe ndị nọ na bongo tam na gị na-ekwu na pande eluigwe gọọmenti ị na-aghọta owe ndị nọ na bongo agụụ dị na family ọfụma mana ọ ga-spend last card ịtakọ gị wa niile ekwukwere ụwa so ọ bụ na the level of iberibe some people ga-abụrụ ife taa
the only thing nọ n'ebe ahụ ịma na iche ka nkwucha before lee ihe m na-achọ ịkọwa bụ na ọ bụ na ichekie that period of time statement onye ọbụla na that drop wụ na ndị niile na-azọ Biafra that time wụ tout one ihe a ga-ekwuru atin that time wụ na ihe niile ahụ join na Biafra cheke ihe niile na-eme broadcast that time GOS niile ahụ ọhanwa that out niile ahụ akpọrọ aha because ebe mmadụ ga-anọ ọ bụrụ na ọ na-eme broadcast a na-akwụ ya ụgwọ ihe o jiziri di broadcast na-eme were ya na-achọrọ afọ ya chekie ha niile ahụ ama m ịghọtara ebe m si abịa kịta
mba your statement bụ isi na ndị ga school no have the problem so nke na-ekwu kịta bụ different statement ndị ga school abroad the problem ma ndị gara ma ndị na-agara fancha ọ depend na character onye wepụta ịghọtago maazị na mmadụ ka n'onwe ya na-ekwu okwu ya ọ gara ezigbote school
ọfụmanụ
got school. So ọbụla na ndị ga school bụ the problem. Kama na owe ndị Igbo be anyị na because ife ma gboro ụfa. Ọya ka some people are saying no bongo mentality. So just myself and my family can family.
Which is very bad.
It's very, very, very bad. Very, very bad. Very, very bad. I can't make out everybody check a man because upon my effect, like that. Oh, if I'm not even Maria, even if I catch it, will post that now. Now this lady will get with a lot of reasons to get you go follow that. And this is 7.
Yes. And in him no jina de here now analysis a unu na emeketa. What ebem sabia. This analysis now what I him na akwa. Mgbari nwanyi socha today. Nwanyi abata program again. Oh yeah, change 2 times before me porn. And organ that do all the time.
Baka my meta. How come can happen? Why you the good and why I know? Or if you get me expired milk, liquid milk.
My brother na-ekwu ifele maka nwaanyị ahụ onye ala gba ọtọ for years natara arụ na-atụtụ mmiri na gọta eri ifele na-eme ya.
But analysis in Kakita na ifere ye meridi.
Maybe a lot of things about analysis.
How many minutes take here? How many minutes take here? Or guess no, I guess in a nka. All the no very confused. Take it, just made that program analyze. Then when you with the phone, it should email something, it may be a bit.
Anyway, we hope. I hope.
My part of the program last time again. Part of the program last time again. Why can I buy it? Because I want you able to say bido. The woman are go confused. So what am I trying to say, Mazikai? Because those people now, but don't have that touch. Because I don't have touch. I just see Kuhaho because on Kuhaho we are in fair in now.
I go to Sarah. Okay, then I come back to break. I go take me.
Yes, so
but don't have
touch. When he was anyone on so nego, Bobulu battle online. I abata to support. No, don't have that touch. Important have to I may analyze buy your turn and the castle to buy Simon Epa hot on Imaya, which is you. Made the thing no only see EPCC chaya Yaman because I'm a neighbor on all these programs. All but as you to all but online or ya may boy bito. Unu just know you can may God bless you guys. Well, this is muddy wop that time, or the one easy. We got all your webim sabia or the reason.
Thank God, my brother. Thank you so much.
Ihe asena obere pata obere nku nnukwu azụ pata nnukwu nku aka ili na harofu owo na ili na abroad yes owo na ili na abroad owo na ili ji ego so ono obula onye nwere contribute with little with your idea Mazika you guys are doing marvelous job. I really appreciate. When I won't bat online on who knows that, I feel much man I hope with it. You got that? A man eba na gane lazy the man. No just no ike just
Thank you so much, favor. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you for your time. I'm actually I'm make it out back. I'm making it one put it. So okay. Hopefully I will.
All right.
Mazen Greg, are you back? Okay. So my people, we are going to end it now. Thank you so much, Ocean Master and Evangelist Lewis. And River Goddess, of course, which you are God was here.
Mazi Kai, because as you are cutting, your friends should remember that Dr. Ngozo Rabeze is veering for Senate in Georgia. Let everybody call his or her relations over there and those who are legitimate to vote.
Don't worry about that one. Even the website they put that website.
Okay, beautiful.
What's up there now? I somebody okay with those who suppose.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you, my people. God bless all of you, and please keep your eyes on the event. Of course, starting from DPM handle, which is I will encourage you to always focus on that, because that will help you to understand that is number one. Number two, ID card is still on. If you are not in our, if you those of you that are asking for the link is in our WhatsApp group, or you can ask people that have it. It's not hidden. Okay, get yourself connected to that and make sure you do the needful. God bless all of you. And Margaret, I see you. JJ, you are just joining us. JJ, I see you. Ekwem Justin, my brother, thank you for your time and your love. I really appreciate your presence, and all of you in the comment section. I did not take it for granted. God bless you. See you again. Benchika 5. I see you. I know when you joined, but I was actually saying something then. I see you. You're welcome. You're welcome, all of you. Please see you again. And if you have not liked the video, click on that button. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.